Hello guys, if it's your first time watching, please like and subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend guys. My guys keep on subscribing and just keep feeling strong, Them something there, so we're happy. And we make more movie, them really. Guys, tune in for the channel them. We are Richard Blount Films, PFS Films, Jamie Wood, One King Films. Want to just watch channel them guys and enjoy, alright? Out of here.
Cousin, what going?
How old are you?
Akira, man.
Kira, what going? What time I see you?
Cousin, you know, so me went from what if you ask say why real cause make you lose your eyesight.
You know what I say? I'm better than go catching a room with my woman. And from there, so me just blind.
No, that gone. And I say, I now hold up a time though, because I walk with the road from my son for the youth from mother.
Alright, do it, man. Here, cuz.
Yeah.
See how it is.
Mommy, we can go find out with something and come back, please.
Please. Like what?
Just something simple.
Something simple. Like what?
Alright, now go finish up homework with one of my friends.
Male or female?
Female, of course, mommy.
Okay, I can trust you, Jada. How far are you going?
Not far, just about 5 minutes walk. Whatever.
Minutes walk. Here's a phone.
Thank you.
Call me. You have
Yes.
money?
Yes, mommy.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
By the way, which one is that? Which one is that?
Akira,
Akila,
my best friend.
your best friend. So you're going by your house or are you going to the library?
We're going to the library. Like, I want to meet her at her house first, and then we're going to go to the library.
So you look so nervous.
I'm nervous.
I don't know.
Mommy, I'm not nervous.
You sure?
Yes, mommy.
Alright, I trust you. I'll be safe. Or come back.
Yes, mommy.
And you say you have money.
Yes, mommy.
Alright, or come back up the road. I'm gonna say this 12. Hurry up and come back up the road. And close back the garage they're leaving.
Yes, mommy.
Close it.
Yes, hello. Special good afternoon to you, sir, and how are you doing? You are speaking with Mr. Robert Taylor from the Publishers Clearinghouse. Are you familiar with the Publishers Clearinghouse? Yes, your number are random selected today out of our power raffle bag of $2.5 million alongside with GMC Denali. Okay? Okay. Okay. Boy. Boy.
I'm blind. I'm blind.
Boy. Boy. Boy, I'm fucking up, boy. That man today na yun. Hear me tell you.
I'm blind.
Murder
I'm
you.
blind.
Hear?
Oh
Fool, you know
God.
me?
Jesus.
Fool, you know me?
Jesus. Jesus.
Boy, you know me? I call look for a man, boy. Eh? I don't want to look for me na yun.
I'm blind.
Hear me tell you, I'm not laughing people na
I'm
yun.
blind.
Here. Eh? Boy, you see next time, boy, you look for me, you're dead, you know? Hear me tell you.
Alright, sorry bossy, me blind.
Boy, you know what you play with?
Bossy, sorry,
Eh?
you know hear me, so me
I'm run
blind.
it a year, yeah. I'm responsible for the street, boy. I tell you that. How you go? Eh?
Me not go to the
How you
bossy.
go?
Me blind.
How you go? Boy, dude. Man, you broke man, dude. Yo. See next time look for me, I'm dead, you. Don't want you to laugh with me, no dog. Hear me I tell you. First I can look for me. Don't want you to look for me, youth. That me I tell you. You go if anybody want to come look for you, you can come on bad man, eh boy. Should I go out with me bust one in your foot in the youth. Yo, you one thing. The boy next time learn. Don't look for me when you see me here. Shit. Murder you.
What is your name?
Jada, what is it?
My name is Xavier. Nice to meet you. Jada. How old
Okay.
are you?
16.
Well, I'm 17.
Okay then.
Just a come from the road and I see you look nice. And I say I talk to you. Thanks for running for it.
Just a couple minutes walk. We're done here soon.
So, how you on the road by yourself?
Then I go visit one of my friends. We are going to the library to finish up some homework and things, you know?
So, you can be friends.
Okay, but only friends.
You know, I said, can you tell me?
Sure.
What is it?
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Jada, say your name?
Yeah.
Alright. So, call her later. Yeah?
Text only, kind of call.
If you're not happy, please go. Later.
Bye.
I call you. I don't want to talk over the phone. You know, so the police watch your brother, right?
Yeah, let me hear about it.
So, the two only come out of one belly. Right? Somebody after the devil tell them somebody wrong. Him look at you in his face so because he said you to look upon him. And the youth, not to look on him. The youth blind when he lick. The youth can't even see. If you them people them vex over the idea, look, you can't see, but you the industry say you to look on him, look down the youth.
I say, think more than still if somebody look for me something. But sit down, of course.
Alright. You see, I can tell you something, you know. There was plenty people come up and say them bad. And you see the wise one them who do badness, but them do it reasonable, intelligent, them survivors. You want them who do it and call for. You see when the people them turn against you? When Jamaica people turn against you as a bad man, you know, you get knocked, you know. So you don't think people them too bad. You may want yourself, man. Find some love for the people them. They can't keep on people because they look for you.
But then if you tell her that him and I keep doing this one.
No, but I cannot talk to him because I'm looking at you and I look three things. I made it bad one time. So man walking on my footsteps, me name a call on the place. Me survive it, but I never do them foolish there. Nowadays bad people and like first time, but listen up. We want the best for Jamaica. You see, if we could control the crime, the amount of money would have come out. Return resident have millions of dollars come back here and now come back because of look killing. You see, if we make them people that come back here, amount of money we have to spend, politicians can't talk to we. Money out there, real money that you have to make. But if we as a people don't understand where we are, how we gonna get better? You can't kill off each other to make better because we watch out. In my days, I seen enough of my people. Kill off people. What have we bring us to now? Separation and poverty. Right? So, what me I say to him now, head at and what you got and what you have not and this and that. Listen up. Take some of them look energy there. Plan two corner do something, man. You see, have a look of gun, you put it down to defend yourself. If a warrior, I'm a Gideon, come you have it to defend yourself. But going and trouble people, we have to go bury him. Right? We're going to get a family reunion soon. Because we don't have a family reunion to somebody dead. And that family reunion is going to be the worst one because you going to come at the funeral of somebody who said we're bad. And the bad man now come to go and shoot him up and shoot you up. So you know, have to be careful, you know, because you go in a line of fire, you know. Because you and him come out of one belly on a twin. One black, one brown. But still on a team. Because I know me have my sister say, yo, oh, you get two different man. And then come in a one belly, one. Yo, I'm not getting involved in it. Because you favor, and in favor, hey. So like it time, I'm not go into that. But when I say, you are the good side, don't matter what the bad side over for you. Talk to him.
If I'm here, if you talk to him, I'm not going to work.
Alright, you want to bury him then?
Bury who?
Remember saying no? Mr. Law kick off the door and come for you know. And then we
come
shoot
for
you.
But I know me and him.
Alright. What may I say? You're in the same era?
Yeah.
Please talk to him because we don't want an early family reunion. Because all the time we see family reunion when somebody dead. So we don't want it early. Alright?
So we can make somebody else talk to him. I mean,
I go call somebody from England and somebody from
Makes
Canada.
sense.
Because family all over the place and make somebody talk to him. But just in case you want something to something to him. Alright? I'm there go all the time. We good though.
yeah, man,
Me have money now. They got money.
Sure. You see me coming too long, honey, I beg. Ah, you think money because you can't come over here. You have to go walk in a hot sun, not even look at drinks.
Alright, go on.
Later.
Let us know for your food.
You don't time down there.
Like you follow your mama's footstep. Oh, that God, the family them.
Wagwan. What you say to me? Alright, Wagwan. Alright. Yo, come here.
What me do?
Yo, me say don't have look girl enough.
Me not dead now,
Yo, let me tell you this. I don't want you don't have look girl enough.
But me
You
not.
hear me? I tell you, that's a real chance. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
But what wrong if me
Eh?
wear shirt?
You know, woman.
What wrong if
Yo,
me wear
this is
shirt?
for no one. You have to start your skirt. You hear me? I tell you, I don't want you to do no rifle walk. I don't want you to do no stir fry. Because me broke your foot them.
So what wrong if me do rifle
You hear me? I tell you, matter of fact, this is for no one. I don't want you to really make short shots. They don't look good.
Yeah, look here, have a shirt.
You hear me? I tell you, you don't want to do me here.
But
Stop playing. You hear me? I tell you,
Yo.
Let's have a come on up under me here. I wonder if you are a man or what?
Yes, me are weird.
Are you a man or me?
Yes, me are.
Girl, yo, pull up.
So you are pull on, not me now.
What's up?
Me this man. I'm turning
Look at that attitude, I want that big style of me olive girl. In my house. I'm here appearing for. Eh? Look at that style of them. Eh? A man with them sitting here. And a woman.
We can't bother with you in a youth. What to you? Everything you make nice out.
Dirty lesbian style, if you cut out the man.
Yes, me I live in a lesbian style,
Eh?
youth.
When me just a kiss, I start a kiss too. What kind of dirty style that? Yo.
Me look at the end of the day,
Yo.
so me I kiss nobody.
Yo, pull up here. I'm on ready.
Can't bother.
Oi, on the road you walk on, take time pull up me here.
Youth. Agreed, me man. People out there say enjoy themselves good when you come out there trouble for people. Boy, you hear say this and here say people fit up call people and tell people business.
I don't know what kind of dirty style you live. And if you cut out them style,
Yes, me I live no dirty
and
style.
then you start with your skirt and blouse. Them a shorts don't fit you.
Well, our clothes. Everybody wear clothes. We have a
A
specific.
boy pin you want like,
We have a specified.
a girl pin you look like.
No, never clothes. Never want the everything you have a problem with.
So you have a problem with everything nowadays. You know what?
No.
Murder you. Let me hear about the money was like in the air. Kill you. I hear that enough. What the ball is? Get up. Say get up. Maybe this is a pop rib should have pop. Don't play with me now. Don't play a game around here. Yo. What kind of me I can ask over here? Pull up here. I'm gonna want ton. Eh? Yo, I don't want you to come around and talk about no brother, you know.
Hello, what's up? Me I ask you.
What you ask it?
I don't know, me I beg you.
What you ask it? Talk now. Talk your mind. Because women are there, you know, you am there cook up, you know. You hear me I tell you now?
Hello, what me I say is, I want me I hear about you say about how you back some boy and kick down boy on your road.
Me?
Yes, you.
When that?
What mean when that? They say the man blind. They say one man a look fine, so you're boxing down and kicking down. Just because man a look fine, you kick them down.
I don't like people look for me, you know.
Well, anyways, me kind of agree with us. I'm not like that people look
I don't like people to look for me because I look for me, look feel like I feel offended. Like I do something wrong.
How do you look fine by the way? How do you look fine? Depends on the way you look fine. More often, how do you look fine?
See, man. Pump and edge too, don't like it.
I don't run you. I would have stepped in your conscience. I don't run you. Good thing you do, your brother. Me a fuck around yourself.
Yeah, man, do you have with the man?
You enjoy yourself.
Nice man, it is. Pull up here, hurry up and pull up here, no. I'm want you nice man, you like that. I'm just this in the head. Happy nice. Sure. If I ever catch you in my clothes, I'm going to burn you up. I'm going to burn you up. I don't want to see your name short say. You hear me I tell you? But that fact, I'm going to burn up everyone and I don't pull up me here. Everything.
You can't burn up my clothes anymore.
Alright. It's alright.
Nicky. Nicky. Bad man. Blessing. Blessing, man, talk to you. I want to talk to you.
Yeah, come on.
Where you go?
I go talk to my brother.
Huh?
The soup come back, man. The soup come back.
Where you go?
I cannot say because I want some money and people now. No money in the house. I'm getting tired of this bad girl.
Oh, you know some people in the where are the things you
I don't have this. I'm going to chill on the back.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, money, but you know when the money now come in.
Where are the things
It's a man now.
Someone knows my brother alright.
Me alright, man, me good.
Make sure. I make sure you're not doing no outside way. Make sure. So I'm gonna
Ask me, I look for-
get it and call you. Wow.
Yeah. You want to give one piece of money one time, you know, come there for one big bank. You know, bank hard. You know?
Big bang for what?
No, I told me now, me busy lately. Big bank, man. Big bank.
Man, I'm not thief. Man, I'm not thief, you know.
No.
Make sure.
You're not thief, you.
Make sure.
You're not thief.
No, naked.
You're not thief.
No, on the mirror, no. Stop that.
Yeah, brother.
No, now go back. Now go check. Never mind, never. Go and get piece of man. Go on, so.
Alright, brother.
Alright, piece of man.
Yeah, go on, little boy, go on, everything.
Yeah, everything.
Stop that face now, go on, no.
Well, yeah, everything.
You don't know my name?
No problem.
What can call out Edisa boy? I want him. Me follow
I
shot
never
now.
said that, Jerome.
Yo.
Don't know why you stay so. Oh, I'm just can't, but I'm there, yo.
What go on, nephew?
What go on, Rasta?
Why, look like I take back the machine them for you, boy. I'm going to pull on the badness and get the machine here, say it don't want the wood, say it a look for you.
But I don't like to look for me too hard.
But you don't know the secret about that. The youth will look for you. 3/4 blind, he can't see you. It's just like the belt man will set belt in a sab. He can't really see you. You understand? So when I think about look for you, him not see nothing at all. He just a look so. You understand? From him go catching girlfriend a cheat. And he go say take you out there and see one man a zaga. And he look in your eye. You understand? Affecting eye nerves. So in a see for them time there. You understand? So you in hospital now, Bless ain't go survive though, but in
Which
family
you in hospital?
the youth will lick. Them in a strong. Like they think say strong, you think you lick him and in a move. But you never realize the after effect in the hospital now. Then go send police here. If they send police here, a good news that. Cause you see, the relative of that youth there are some bad people them.
But you know me a police not plan piece of land now. I don't like police now. Not even soldier.
Alright.
Batman a Batman, police a police.
Alright. But what me I say though, in our time of badness, we bad with intelligence, we do things to people who offend us and really cause a problem, and we do it to make money. We don't do it for idleness. The machine them, what me give you is not free machine, you know. You understand? And I give them for lock them, and I give you for use them and hype yourself too much. You feel just calm
I'm
yourself.
not hype, me a hype. You might look for me like some do something and thieves in the field.
But we say, but if you check the facts and check it and just do the maths, you
I never know
blind.
I'm blind.
Anyway, my advice to you, we don't have to go apologize to them because they will call the relative them and when call the relative them and if them feel certain way, police not going to deal with you know.
But problem if good on the police don't that way for me.
Yeah, but you go good on there and say accidentally and lick him. You go down there, tell them accidentally. You and lick. You don't go down there with good on there P's and Q's and you intelligently come here say I be alcohol and you know. You say look what more you there do. Eh?
No.
So you get lick every time for a man, it's like a man caca. I'm looking at you know, but you go turn until he kill your backside. You hear me? If you smart, The first licking, lick and first kicking, you run. You know, go to tracks. Run for better. A brown man you love? You better go and go find a man that church. Alright, brown man. Take that with that one here. Cause it's like a look at you, look like he all eat. Gonna tell you go chip him on the Japanese and he now meet up back.
Kill him, but not here.
Alright, anyway, I not too long I talk to him, you know. That one you do, look like you animal to have a party. Cause look a man, so careful. I don't know, me stand. But anyway, if I get no more news, I come back to the machine them.
Alright.
I go to police hold them, you know. The
Yes,
police
sir.
hold them, you go pay the contract.
Them good man, them hide the bush. Can't find them there.
You want them to anytime, time catch up.
Oh,
And
you mean, man?
fresh up.
They well hide up and hide, man.
Make sure.
See, I'm a man, I'm a family coming. Eh? I can't say it like a man. You change that attitude, them man. You change. So, hey, if I don't change, remember, you know, food is not getting enough to eat. I hear me enough water. I don't want to touch nothing here. You hear me, I tell her?
Jerome, look for me good. You really love me out.
Of course, my love. Every kick and punch, you know. I love that, you know. Anytime you go now, you feel them punch and kick there, you know. That's for sure, so I true love them there, you know. You hear me, I tell you?
See, that's not love. Them kick and box and punch we have punch. We them there for money, only mama man beat.
Bruh, what mama man? Eh?
Oh, Jerome, you talk?
Yeah.
Oh, Jerome. Kind of sharp, that man, the boy, please.
So yes, I will set up with this.
Girl, if I want the boy, tell the boy say I want the boy.
No, shyness come down.
No, me not the boy ain't shy. If me like somebody, me I tell somebody to me like.
I'm like mine.
Hear me? Just dancing, no?
For the Christmas, okay,
Then go and go look some man and leave me alone.
they can't help me look fine.
Yeah, help me look, man.
No?
Baby.
But at least me have biscuit. So you can call me up. I'm here, call.
Oh, 1 minute. Yeah. So, sorry, why you make me to come in the come man? Good afternoon. Let's all come back. Like me? Well, I choose us a like come down, you know. You have to rough and you have to tough. You see, that them type of man they like bad man. Yeah, who? Bad man. Or Batman. Or Batman I mean. Bad man. You go wait and you walk, go on. It's me a talk. Yeah, I think it's very mainstream, guys. She kind of, mental, retarded. So what you saying to me? You like me?
And I told him, like, you know, I'm gonna want a chance in your life, so you know.
Wow. Well, I just jump to conclusion. Hello, miss, we talking. I just jump to conclusion, you know, how you're sick, you can't just say, you're a bad man, and I believe. You can't say you're a bad man, and I believe. So, yeah, you can't just say. But you text me, and stop playing. Have money too.
No worry about that.
Like the man with the money too,
We just, you know, want some money, have you?
No money, me a lot love to, but you know the thing, say, money have to in there. If money not in there, how me eat? I'm not going to sleep good at night time, I'm not going to money not there. Alright. Yeah.
Look nice, bro.
Thank you. Hello, mama. Come on.
Look, somebody to make you.
See you? Your motor put you now.
Okay, for me, I got you, boy.
Yeah, I don't have money. Hello, someone, I'm going to look at me tell you already. You already see how much you got to me now. Yeah, me, you know.
Let's get myself.
Hello. Me reaching your girlfriend gone? Cause me can't bother with the problem, you know. You sure? Alright, me a come. Where's that one anyway? I'm tired of hiding, you know. I'm tired of hiding, I'm tired of hiding.
Honestly, man, that's who can come and fully. That's who can come and
Every time I say that, every time I do the same thing, every time I come here the same thing, I'm tired of hiding, brother.
I come home every time I come for the squad with me. I say it's who can come and fully, it's who can come and fully. I have to just give me some time. You know?
Give what kind of time?
Take off my glasses because a couple of you know I hear, right? I hear the same thing. They say me just need some time to build some business and get over with everything.
Okay then.
So, no, it's just man. So where I live now, all life I treat you.
You good, you know?
I just say me there, just there, sit down and go and look out on my hands and all this. You know?
Mm-hmm.
That's what I do. Yeah.
She there at work.
She don't know what's going on.
No, you're crazy, or she can know that.
You sure about that for me?
Yeah, but no problem.
Because camera and Jam was saying, well, you know, one time, but anyway, we don't know what time she'll come back. We don't know when she'll come back.
So will you call me over here? I hear
Come here,
you.
but so sit down. Tell me sit down what this is. I say I just start one time for emotion and things, you know?
Mm.
Yeah. Relationship between us and things. As me I say, I feel it about it, you me? But as me I tell you, say, nobody can know about it.
This is so silly.
baby.
Do you see I'm going with you now?
They are good and thing.
Well, you know, actually, I'm going to come with me and say, all the time we get free time, because we didn't come back a problem. You know?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, me say, call you, we talk. By the time you come back, all the day we have to look out for him and stuff, because if you come and catch you, we don't see a problem.
Brittany! Brittany!
So you call me over here.
You sure it's not mad enough for you?
But it's fine.
Brittany!
How that?
Akira!
Kia. What going?
The Brittany.
Brittany Leanne. One moment, for.
I know I say woman brother, let down my cousin.
Sure, because I know say if you say man have something and just put him and lick him down, so
Him claims say my cousin and look for him. Look for my cousin. Like him can look for him.
wait. Yeah, you have a point there, sir, but I want to know why you choose to come to my apartment. How make man reach this? Why? What? I don't understand.
The reason why I'm coming to you, because I want to tell the woman to be in brother I want him.
And what the one is there about?
But the same man in front of you can give me one if you want to give me.
Yo, make sure you give your sister man a message. See next time you see me, I'll lick me out this again. You not gonna normally hear. Because, me I tell you, only God know. Next time you see me, I'll lick me. I'll be a problem I come down here. Alright, just that more you give me. And me I call the police them to next time.
Because you know, say if I'm not dealing with police, they're bad people, you know, kill people. You know. What the police you talk about? Come on, you know, sometimes you lose yourself.
So, why you have to pull me so?
No, sir.
Yeah. There's no place no one.
Make sure you know.
Everything good, man. Different reasons, like different reasons. Yeah, so I see, I'm going to cause I say in a long time, I say, like this, I get no chance, I say.
Well, so I just for something.
Well, me I tell you, say, as me just there, I go and relax, I say, yo, me here to call you, but get through certain things. And you might think, say, dash me, you might think, say, I don't miss going again. But I still care, just that the woman did for me case. I just she me a fee. As me I say, woman gone and it's all the free time I get. Isn't it? All the free time I get and I want to spend a little free time with her before she come back. As I know say, me and you know say she come back a problem and she come catch her. I don't know what might happen. As I say me I say.
Them something they can't bother with.
As me I tell her say, everything you too over with, it's who can come and fully. Me I put him out there. Me I put him out. And you will know, you know?
This is so still.
So like say you don't believe me. Look on, me I tell her.
You talk about police, you want police after you. Excuse me?
I was
Police.
the one doing today.
Yawa,
Hear
sir
you,
or
I'm
ma'am?
not hearing you, you're so low. I'm sorry.
Yawa, sir or ma'am?
Mom.
Alright. You hear me I say good?
Sure, yeah.
What day me dey on the road? And me sit down over on a little corner.
Mm-hmm.
Said time, me hear somebody a forward, a walker come.
Mm-hmm.
And me turn my head so. Said time me turn my head. Them a ask where me a look on them for. But me blind, me can't see. And then, after that day, as somebody me see box me and run off.
You see
So me
somebody
see.
box you, so you accident. You see. Or you feel the
Remember me
box.
tell you, say me blind, me feel the box. Yeah, me feel
Okay.
it. Yeah, me feel it. Right from my jaw corner.
Mm-hmm.
After that, and the boy box me and run off. And me said today, me,
Anyways, listen.
officer, I hear what I'm saying.
Listen. I'm on a
Officer.
mission, by the way. I am Detective
Officer.
Title.
Sorry, say me last, me
Listen,
sorry.
I can give you a number for you to call, but I'm on a mission now. I can't really tarry.
Yeah, me sorry, say me last, me side. Because I'm not too TikTok from police.
My condolences to you, sir. My condolences to you on your side. Okay? Anything else? I am Detective Title, by the way. You can always give me a call.
So I didn't call the thing.
Listen, Detective Title is not what you think. It's not about downstairs.
Oh,
It's about holding on the guy hand
On the police
and never miss.
no idea.
Once we hold on upon them, then can't let go. Tight like that.
Oh,
You get
tight
what I
like
mean?
that. Yes,
Yeah, man.
I got what they said.
Alright.
Yes, I got what they
Anything
said.
else?
Me go want you come up at the house with me
Mm-hmm.
because they violate me.
Take the
And
number,
say,
take the number.
Me don't know your number, me can't see.
911. If you can't get me, a press 2, okay? Alright, Detective Title. 911. If I can't get me, a press 2. Alright? Be safe and...
We don't do in a number 2 business, you know. But you choose to give her that number.
Listen to me. Keep your argument. Keep your argument. Remember, you take with the police right now.
Me go want you come up at the house with me.
Hey. Don't follow me. Don't follow me. I'm on a mission. Just call the number. So follow me. I'll take you to the station.
Alright.
This is more than stalking.
Alright. You know if you had the evening so do, you know.
Just walk good.
You know if you had the evening so
My condolences to you again on your side.
Sorry, say me last, me side here.
Wait, go. Can I help it? Yeah. Yes, I'm at the location. Yes, it's a total minor, female. Yes, man, it's detective type. Alright. Alright, cool.
Anyway, still, yeah, I forget about that. Roof.
Police! Mommy!
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Excuse me?
It's not what it looks like, Mommy.
So, I got a call about a 12-year-old minor with a 17-year-old boy, and it turns out to be you?
Mommy.
Jada, seriously? So this is the library I sent you, right?
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Get up, come. Don't look at me like that. She's 12, older, you're 17.
You know that? I mean,
Are you what? Hey,
she said she was 16.
tell this.
Yeah.
Listen to me. Shut up. This is Detective Title. I don't play jokes. Get up.
I didn't mess up here, I didn't mess up.
You want to start working, right? You're an adult now, right?
Mommy, it's not what it looks like.
Explain.
Mommy, he's just my friend.
This is the library I sent you. Jada, this is the library.
So, miss, oh my God, what's that tight?
I am Detective Title.
So, I say, I want to tight. Alright, hear me out. I soup. I'm a grandfather.
Okay. Since he's a grandfather, what's his name?
Mr. Herbert Campbell.
Mr. O?
Herbert Campbell.
Soon, right? Alright, now give you a blight. So next time,
You need a ID for a start. Dating minor. She's just 12 and you're 17. This is police matter, okay?
She has 16.
You see you?
You see your class? You see you get me now?
Jada, you disappoint me. So you want man now, right? This is police matter. But I will give you a blight, but not you. You want man, you're gonna start to work, okay? You're a big man, you're gonna start to work. You want a police job? Huh? Alright. It's okay. Okay? Have a nice day.
Same to you.
Have a nice day. But if it's ever reoccur, you will not like me. You will not like me. You will forget that you're the soup grandson. Get up! Get up! Money you want, money you shall get. Hello? Yeah. Guess what? It turns out that the minor is safe. They were just doing some extra lessons with her adult there. Nothing police matter related. Okay? So I can just clear that off the truck. Yes. Everything is okay. The minor is safe. No abuse, nothing sexual, nothing personal. Just some schoolwork, friends just hanging out. Male and female with a teacher. Yeah, man. You know you can trust me. Yes. Detective title. Alright, later. Tell lie for your girl. Come here. Yes, soup. Me at the house already soup, me say. No backup. I must have done 10 man in a one day already in a brother. Yes, me can do it. One man is nothing to me. You not trust me again, soup? I forgot to detective title this soup. Yeah, man, me up on the location, so me soup. Yeah, man. No worry yourself, soup. You got this covered. You understand? Yeah, man. I can manage it. Yeah, man, I'm sure, man. Alright. Me keep it updated. Yo,
How old is that?
Jerome,
How old is that? I put you on Roman throat. How old is it?
shut up. Detective title.
What me do now?
You can't run, but I can't hide.
What me do?
What is for?
What me do?
Most wanted man a Westmoreland. You didn't know that? How are you?
No, who are you? I'm a man. What problem?
I'm a criminal.
criminal.
Stop questioning the police. Shut up. Shut up.
Let me
Where they gone?
Where they gone? Listen, I'm talk.
No, man.
Where they gone?
No, I'm evidence.
Miss, how are your name?
Hold on.
Detective Title One.
Well, Miss Detective
I don't know about no
big
gun.
gun,
No
or
gun, me say, I want police
Let me tell
like
you
you.
this right now.
What the gun?
What kind of gun you talk
Which
about?
gun? Which gun? Which gun?
I'm not a
You
criminal.
want to leave
What
me
you
brother
talk about?
You
alone?
know how long we look for the wire?
Me?
Yeah, me,
Jerome
man.
Walkerton.
Yeah, me, man. Yo,
You're innocent.
Innocent.
Leave
Leave
me
me brother alone, Miss Tight.
me, I get this back here because
I'm
who the
one,
fuck the
yeah,
police?
Mr.
See you? Who the police? I'm more than
It's
you
okay.
know.
We must buck again.
Look what I see.
It's okay.
It's
okay.
okay. Look what I
okay.
face.
It's okay.
Look what I face. Look what I face.
We must buck again,
Miss
Jerome.
Tight.
Jerome, we must buck again.
Miss Tight hole.
Must
If you
back again,
don't know
where?
what you have to do,
Must
if
back
you
again
don't
where? Remember me catch a face back here.
if you don't know what to do, you go on your
Well,
yard,
yeah,
man.
on the ground and chat about people are thief and criminal.
I hear him to the Miss Tight hole.
Miss Tight hole.
I want big on a
The
brown
foot come like
brown
a
one.
K. Watch him.
Look at you.
Put on this. Are you two? What kind of criminal are
I
you?
don't know what that woman talk
What do you mean
about.
by you don't know what I talk about? What
What
do
do
you
you
mean
want to talk
I
about?
don't know. I saw them girl and accuse people fitness and my teeth and all money.
Jerome, better you come clean to me now, because me ain't dead in this. Let me tell you
But I don't
that.
know what she talk about. People feel people in a man. Oh, nobody with that, man. Oh, yeah.
Don't I know your name. I know your name.
What happened?
But I don't know what I've seen Jerome walk out and there. Probably walk from Brazil.
Jerome, me I want you. Me not
No.
dead in this video. You say anything you're involved in, you try to come clean with me friend now.
You're not family member. We're not related. I don't know.
Babe,
Sorry.
believe me. For you know me, you're not thief. Eh? If you know
I'm
the
not
wrong.
here to tell me truth,
Oh, yeah,
Jerome.
everything when me do, I come tell you. Everything. Don't nobody with that. Everything me tell you. But I'm here like up on one pillar, you know, girl. We are
You say
talking
anyway you
about.
make nobody kick off door and come in, come kill me, Jerome. Yeah, we know
But I don't know
Jerome.
police that when they want money. Because every day I'm just like a scammer like me, chopping line no man. So for me
Yeah,
see me
you
on road
left
and
off the
jealous.
road, and I left off the road, Jerome. Every minute you gone on the road, gone. You can't turn in the yard.
Right.
I know.
You can't turn in the yard. Remember, you're not going to beat me, boy. I'm tired of you.
Jesus Christ, I give me that finger in
Sure.
her.
Every minute thing gone on the road.
Yes,
He's
but
gone.
you have
They're gone
things.
to him in here. What we do now?
Me give you this switch, I take the switch and let me put my hand with it.
Who tell us to come in our way?
Hey, I will chop this thing and throw it in a girl. Don't
No
play
bother
with
with
me.
it.
Don't play
You
with
say,
me.
yeah, your brother beating sticking out. No, stop. Stop.
Hey,
Hey.
hey.
Too many clap you.
You know what?
Not
You
too
know
many
what?
clap
Me a
you.
come out of this
Not
thing
too
now.
many
Me
clap
a
you.
come out of
Yeah,
this
come
now.
out and go away. I'm busy. Your brother
Alright.
problem. Yeah, your brother
Hey,
stress.
step in here, look. Hey.
Yeah, your brother stress. I
Alright.
don't want to know. Watch him. Stuffed up.
Go cry.
Poor girl. So yeah, you better come like problem. I say any day only make people come in and come kill me. Sorry if you wanna say your brother wanna start beat me. Wait till soon my turn.
Alright, so what happened to you and the new boy?
Yeah, I'm good, yes.
He not cheat, no nothing. They with you good.
Yeah, as me say rough man, me like he seems rough. I like a rough man.
So you don't have no soft friend, you know them friend that shy type nerd.
I don't know, ask him.
Me don't know him. I don't
Well,
fi ask him.
me don't know if he have no friend. No.
But you have a number, you can call him and ask him.
Yes, them must have a man number. How can I question that?
So on the day you can call him and let me talk to you, man.
Talk
Ask
to
him.
who? Who man I want to talk to?
I really someone talk to him for you. Remember, say a soft man more than I'm no a rough
If I
man.
want a soft man, me tell you already go a road, go look one. You too-
So suppose me go around go look one and he see himself and then he rough.
Well, you left him. I'll go find one next one.
How me go find man?
Don't talk, you know.
Oh God, me boring.
Boring too.
So you find no girl in her phone.
Hello, me there text my man, have manners.
Oh God. Unlike me. My man too rough. So you not lick your eye nothing.
Who him?
Mm-hmm.
No, I'm not start getting all lick friend yet. I do nothing for you lick me.
No argument.
One or two arguments, yes, but And nothing big.
So you cook for him or something?
Yeah, cook for him, sometimes wash for him. Once in a blue moon, all the time.
What make?
He have 2 hands, you know.
But sometimes I don't want like wash clothes and lazy.
Me lazy too. Me lazy too.
So no go on fire him there.
It's a question, me so. It's a question, my life, man.
Cause me a friend, you don't have to keep no secret from me.
We expect.
Me don't know.
Things have to go on.
So it's nice.
You want to know
Me
too
just
much, man?
curious.
You want to know too much out of life?
I'm curious, me curious.
So stand there. You can't know about that.
Alright then. So what you want to do?
Watch out.
Yeah, not set
See,
your
come here.
bed.
No, see, come here, chat to you.
So what you want to
You
in
think
a day?
I see,
Call me boring, you know.
Boring.
I don't have nobody to call, nobody to text. Right now, me no mind them and then call me.
You say, want to come with me?
When him a come.
You not have to know when him a come, and my man not you.
That's him for care somebody with him.
Care who?
When I friend
You
them.
know when him a come, and nobody can come with him.
So, I just see Cherry alone go there?
Cheer who? You go to your yard.
Yeah. So suppose me no want
When my
come
man there,
here.
me no want you here.
That's
Cause
what.
you was a man snatcher. You love snatch people, man.
Me not gonna take you man, girl.
You can't take him.
The man rough. You want put me in the hospital?
You know look rough too.
Yeah.
You might feel saying stuff. Until
You look rough to me. Right now, me they are boring.
That's nice.
Can't get up go cook. I'm hungry.
Imagine if mama had and run me go cook. Just me enjoy my biscuit. Me not plan to cook this evening.
So how your man go eat?
In buy box food when time I come.
You think so every day man want suppose the man have no money?
You have money, you better have money. Or you go find you think
In my work?
In my work?
What kind of work you do?
Nothing about that. You want me to say you want to know too much out of life.
You have to ask her what kind of work your boyfriend do.
In Jesus' name, I pray, leave me alone. I just want to work away because he say I can't leave me.
When he come.
No, you go before he come.
No, when he come, me go.
That's what you go right now. Cause you want to know too much. And I cannot answer your question for how long.
Yeah.
Go.
So I run me from your yard.
I'm not wrong, girl. Just don't want you under my man there. Because he come, things don't go on. I think that. One on.
Alright. Later, my friend.
So yes, you know.
No, so I love you and thing, I'm going to date for you and thing.
Dead for me? So I couple things that I want here. Yeah, that's in the picture.
Big man means I just see me sit down and say right now.
So yeah, I see.
I swear to God right now, me I tell you.
Okay, so.
Someone I want to marry that because I look like a nice girl and I'm just like if you know you. So I say when that can happen. Alright, you think me a good youth?
No, I say so about. It kind of rough still. Kind of rough.
No,
You know what I'm talking about.
no.
Jesus Christ! What? Son about kill you, son. I beg you, son. I'm about to kill you, son. Why? Where did I go? Hey! Hey!
Baby!
Son, I beg you, do not.
Baby, you're gone! Baby, you're gone!
You're blind!
Baby!
Come on, don't go help me now.
Oh, you're not dead! You're not dead!
Be a friend, be a friend, be a friend! No one on me!
If I saw me want to give him some. Give him
Give
some.
him some.
No make him done it. No make him done it. Boy. See
Sit
that
on
guy.
the tent. Sit on the granny gun.
Yes, I give him one from now on.
Sit on. You go on the tent. Sit there.
No want it.
Sit on there. What you gonna do?
You don't want that.
Come watch it.
Give him some. Give him some. Give him some. No make him. Hey, look. No make him done it. No make him done it. I want some later. Give him some. Give him some. Give him some. I can't come.
Babes, come out.
Come on. Yeah. Give him some now. Give him some now. Give him some. Give him some. Why? Give him some now. Give him some. Acha.
Just like babes.
Ingan.
Babes.
Ingan.
Yes, babes, and gone.
Ingan.
We're gone. Jesus Christ! What? See?
Yes, but you
I'm gonna do with this. I don't want it. Babes, imagine! You see me at work with him and he not even come out.
So, you want to show me? You see a gun, man? You see a gun?
After a day, I tell Boho, or you would have dead for me. I really said no.
You never tell her that. You never tell her that. I'm missing more, miss. Six more. Can't see man coming here. We couldn't want to come over. After you want me, I don't want
Me want the man hand with the gun and tell him come.
something you want me under there. Something you want me under there. Cool, come on.
What do you want under knee? Nothing never want under knee, no bed. Me tell her if come. Go help me fight him and come out. Me want the hand with a gun there now. I give him some. Give him some hour. Give him some hour. Give him some hour.
Little girl.
Don't, hey, me step in here. Hey, give him some hour. Hey, stop playing me here.
Oh, no, just give him some. So you say you rather did that man some?
You know what?
Hey.
Me not like this video here.
No.
Me not this video. Me a come out here. Use a dirty boy. Dirty boy.
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion, even though I offer all of the solutions. I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt, never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm, I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Get up! Get up out of the bed! Get up, my husband! Come, get up! Watch out! Get up! Get up! My husband! Yo, what is you? Yo! Get up! My husband, come! Kala, di ba lang? Mingkit it. Hindi.
Oh, what on, baby?
What?
Let's look for Chandler. You what doing?
Me. So yeah, why you come back my house so early?
No, boss said me back home, you know?
100, just tell nobody will be there. We have a surprise here, yeah?
Oh.
A new style.
New style?
Yes, my woman. Brand new clothes, clear.
How you get that from there?
We get it bye. But don't.
Okay, good man. So, anyway, we're not talking about that.
Yes, dinner cooking up.
Huh?
Dinner cook.
Alright, that more no good. So, you're a good man, you know.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
You know?
Yes. Yes. Love you. Go and eat, man. Go and eat and come back in 2 minutes time. I will prepare my body for you.
No, you're not to be there.
Me not be here. Me say, go and come back now. You not
So, why
to be.
come up, so?
I style like you. Could they? That woman nice. Could they?
That's what I'm telling you, you're not going nowhere. You have to
Me not go nowhere.
You can't mind, you know, money. Hey, me have one promotion that come up, you know.
Mm-hmm.
And you see that promotion there? I want to
Tell me long time in the hurry up and just, alright, go share the food. I'll come back in 2 minutes. Don't take long. 2 minutes. Like, no have me away. Say yes. 2 minutes. One.
2 minutes.
Yeah, 2 minutes. Hurry up. 1. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 1, baby.
1, 2 minutes.
No, that with me. Why? Just listen to me now. Listen to me now. Baby, listen to me. Look for me. Just look for your man. Look for your man. Your man attack you. Look for your man. Just go out there yourself with 2 minutes. It not take long. Just go listen to all the spice of things you have to make a relationship because it's hotter. Come now, just baby, come.
No, listen.
Listen to me. Sometimes
I don't want nothing tonight.
no, we're not doing nothing too much. We just have to be comfortable with our shoulders them and things like that.
Hold on. How for phone is that?
Kimberly left his phone over here.
Oh, Kimberly.
Yeah, give me it. Let me put it up.
No.
Baby, just listen to me now.
No, make a call.
To who?
My boss, no come boss.
For what?
Boss? Oh, right tonight? Oh, if you come back. Okay, boss. Yeah, boss. Baby, go to the bathroom and see if I see the piece of tissue for me, please.
No, go and feed no baby.
No, man, the phone.
Baby, just go on in and take walking distance. No. Sure, just listen. Go on. Go on now. Yeah, go and prep something so when you go back, maybe you can do it quick. Just go on now.
Lovely tissue.
I know how to go.
Alright, yes, baby. Listen now. Yeah. Alright, we'll come tonight. Love you, baby. Alright.
No kissing around there.
See, me have to go back bath call so.
So you just come and say I have to go back and work so.
Because you know how we do the night shift and just
What? Come to me. Say yes.
You want me?
Yes, sit down.
You want me?
Sit down, yes, so. Sit down. Tell your boss, say, tonight you're busy. And every night I'll get it away.
No, but this is double. Hey, remember the Christmas card you say what? Me have work on it.
Next year, me get it.
Oh, you want it next year?
Yeah.
Oh, come
I just want to spend some quality
Me
time.
plan to buy a push card, so that you know, card them and time and this. Really? Me don't like that.
Where your boss now?
Huh?
Where your boss now?
Shaka. Shaka runners. You know the runners them? Rich people, uptown, full of money.
So you happy with?
Yeah, I'm going to lose my job. Come on. You don't trust me. Listen, me trust you, so you have to never trust me. Call me no, you're not doing that.
None that.
Right, I know say me marky. So any boy
think them bad. Touch none of my pork. I don't know if a rasta eat pork or a ballad eat pork. Come in a run joke when you come onto my pork.
Yeah, that's why I buy new clothes to cover me up more, B, because I don't want to boy look for me.
Right, and the pork, that's right. Yeah, right, I understand what you're talking about. So just relax, and tomorrow I come in, me, I'll make sure it's set. Me have give 2 hours. I will make you see heaven with hell mixed together. Because I don't want to see heaven alone. More I get because of the hell. You see me? Because the heaven I just because. What the hell? Okay, yeah? The phone. No, the phone. I need the phone to watch time. Yeah. No, not your phone. Your phone good. And the black phone then, you need to dash when I get there, yeah?
Yeah.
Cause one know which woman left their phone. No woman not left their phone nowadays.
Later. Me rather know if you left your phone, the man just left. Yeah, he's not coming back until the morning, so you can come back. Yes, yes. Yeah, go pick up your phone. I only rather put it keep on the neck, but wait till I see you. Alright, my baby. Later. Love you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palm. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you.
Girl. Look how I'm away from you.
You say I will link up tomorrow?
Right now, I don't even know, you know, because my mother just torment so strict now. I left go nowhere.
You're not telling me I have some sleeping powder and give my mother.
Eh?
I'll just give me and fall asleep.
Girl, but suppose I get in trouble for this.
Girl, you're not getting in trouble.
You sure?
Yes, girl. I'm giving my right now. You see me like getting in trouble.
Oh. So, how this work?
So I'll soup or water, anything you can throw in the room. I just say nobody throw in no water because I'm a police and smelly. So just throw in something flavoring.
Ah. Alright then, thanks.
Alright, later, man.
Yeah, me make you know.
Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you, I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Q.
Yo, you know what's the worst thing for a man do? Take up a young girl, you can't wash, can't cook, can't clean. What me I do with you? What me I do with you? I mean hard.
Jerome, one thing, wash your face, wash and stop making noise.
What me I do?
Jerome, my head hurt me, I can't take it, wash your face, wash.
Me I work. Every day I got sight. I live for much bucket. I still have come home to wash my dirty clothes them.
I say I go lift bucket, come.
And you still want 30,000 every week.
Yeah, more money. Find a way to get my money.
I can't manage that man.
Wash if you wash.
You live for fire.
Jerome, alright.
I can't take this as a single man. I cannot come home and wash my cooler clothes them man. You can't manage it. It's stress. That's not normal. Every young girl knows to wash and cook and clean, and you can't wash and cook and clean. What do you hand them? You have to live for your mother.
You know, so I'm not going to an argument with you today, Jerome, because argument here look... Come
wash them.
Jerome!
Yo, wash them.
Jerome, you know, so I can't...
Wash them.
I can't bother you know.
I know somebody Somebody watch.
Jerome, tablet me now,
Mr.
man, no.
Mr. Wash. If I stir fry, you know if you stir fry. Eh? If I rifle, I can know if
Jerome, come wash them.
Mr. Wash.
Me can't brush you sitting Jerome.
So what your hand them? Mr. Wash. You deaf?
Oh, mother.
Motherfucker not get nothing else to eat, you know.
Jerome, you can't tell me that.
Drink.
You can't tell me that, Jerome.
Move. Me some left too. Watch me one of the things there. Tell that stress now, man.
Me can't bother with it. Every day you cuss and quarrel. Quarrel what up is it? Why you sit down,
Tell that stress now. God can't say me a proper one in my life. I can wash, cook and clean. Me can't bother them a sitting here, man. Me tired of you now, man.
I know you just feel like...
Give me. You let me brain now.
And I just feel like you tired of me. Wash your face, wash your clothes. Me hungry. So alright, wash your clothes and call it what's something for me now.
I feel stuff.
So like, you cook it soft and that's why I make it you cook it, give me for eat. I'm hungry, Jerome, so hurry up.
You say always have a talking say, you know. Cause don't when you say tell, you know. Until you lose it, you know. You hear me I tell you?
Jerome.
You're gone.
Jerome. No, you're not bag a long talking.
You say you're gone.
No, you're not bag a long talking.
Go and hold me tongue and you see where you get out of today.
You're hungry that you feel no.
You go dead today if you're hungry.
Me lock shop in a door, don't bother with me.
We can lock the bank.
Aye, sir. Jerome, I see you.
Not Jerome me at all.
Jerome, less talking, more action, I'm hungry.
Go on, yam my slippers.
Yeah, your slippers look alike. Pay your face to your slippers. Hurry up, yeah.
Yes, yes, me can't bother them sitting here. God, please me, I beg you. Send me a proper girl in my life. I need one of them girly. I don't need a Barbie, you know. I need one of them girly. We can cook, wash, and clean. Every clock of the day, this girl got stress me and can't cook and can't do nothing. God, oh, God. Oh, you make them a people answer, man. Why?
I tell you to stop looking when you're talking, because we stuff something down your mouth in a Jerome.
You see, just show me no lick, woman. And I put me up on you, know, and leave it to God.
You top lick woman now.
Bless to God.
You top lick woman now.
I don't want to put me up on you because one of them days I put me up on you, you can't get up back.
Jerome, any day you do that, just know say, what sweet you have sour you. Jerome.
Now put me up on you, can't get up back. Man, you have fubble bamboo with me,
hey,
girl.
Hey, Jerome, go and go wash if you wash because I'm hungry right now.
You're hungry when you have dirt.
I know that no more.
If you get something in here for you to eat, you will never get.
You don't say let's talk in more action because I'm hungry.
What the fuck, more fire to you know.
I know so I move come on, make sure so you done wash and get something to eat right away. I'm not laugh, I'm not skin teeth with a Jerome. Everybody say a hungry man is a hungry man. Alright.
Hungry man is a hungry man. But when you can't wash, cook and clean, he make a sad mistake. You hear me I tell you, if you're not washing you can't get nothing to eat, girl. You're 18 and look how you're behaving in your house. Eh?
Jerome! You know something can't take, you know something.
Yo, I tell you, go on. I say, come out. I say, look there, buy a good mattress. Eh? Every day in PC. So time shine. I don't like the girl in my yard, you know. Look, what the yard do? What the yard? What I came bum down yard, that will wake you up. I can't cut our food. Eh? I seen for feel a lazy woman. You buy me matter that you can't read. I know say you done because you never seen a go to school. I'm going to take you out here, you know. I'm going to get a proper woman who can wash, cook and clean for me, you know. You hear me I tell you? If you damn blasted idea, man, I see a problem. Eh? I can't bother with it. You're mad, you want mad me, I want to raise my pressure. Which one? I can't bother with it. God do me, I beg you. I can't make it like those strike and take my life.
Mommy, I don't cooking but I want a little bit of soup left.
Okay.
But anyways, we can go to the library.
Library again. Money again.
No, mommy.
No, I can't trust you. What you have to do at the library? Huh?
Homework.
You don't have computer at home. Wi-Fi is there. What you want to do at the library?
Mommy, we just want to go to the library to finish up some homework.
So why can't it be done at home?
Mommy, please, no.
No.
Anyways, you want to do?
If you I'm sure it tastes nice. Oh boy, give me a second, Daria. So you drink yours already?
It's right.
How would you just cook? You, mommy. Glad you learn.
My mother just torment so. Now I left me to go out to her yard. When my camera take me off the tea photo. Come on, come on.
know what this you now you this come in here come and ask me about if me cook. You know say you always cook, Jerome. Why you come in here come ask me if me cook?
You don't cook no chicken.
Where you come from?
Today is Sunday, you know.
Where you come from, Jerome?
I come from Rum Bar. Can you breathe? Breathe. You see what there? Breathe.
Jerome.
What happened now?
Me hungry. You just come in now. Me no eat.
Listen.
Jerome.
Listen to me now.
What?
Let me tell you something. I forgot to Rum Bar.
But here.
Because I'm stressed. A problem.
You have stress and you have problem?
Yes, you is my stress and my problem because you can't cook. You can't wash. You have to pay people to wash my clothes and everything. What kind of style that I'm in my yard?
Jerome, as I can see water there, me here, Jerome, hungry. Jerome, I know some. Jerome, hey, I'm hungry, Jerome.
Listen to me. You're hungry. That is not my problem. Kitchen in there, food in there. If I want tongue calm, your tongue calm meal. If I want eat flour and butter, you eat flour and butter. Chicken in the fridge.
Jerome.
But I know you can't fry chicken.
Jerome.
You just turn some calm meal and eat and go normal.
Is either you go put down the cup there, put down the rum there, and go look for something to get for you right now. You know how long I sit down and wait for you, brother? I'm hungry now.
Alright, listen now. Oh me, for the work so hard, and I give you money, and me for come in here, come cook.
Jerome, me got me and me can't bother. I'm hungry, brother. Me hungry. Me can't see yourself. Me a go.
Banana
don't want to hear nothing from you.
We are go. Sit down.
Jerome, I'm hungry.
If you're hungry too.
Jerome, I come for
you can't steal my rice, but that's all. All of the young girls from what day when you just want fast food, so fast food, no good food.
I'm hungry. I'm going to excuse me. I go on me yard.
I don't want to play with you. Broke your foot. Hear me over. Yo, that body, come and make me over there. Hear me over here.
I'm going to
I don't want ill treat you. So you know the best thing for you. Just take the things and go on your mother yard. Call her mother. Call her. Call her mother. I say sit down. Hello. That one now can put your body hospital. You can't do nothing. I don't really understand enough. So when you grow, you don't fast anything there. Your mother sick. Sit down.
I don't want you nothing, Jero. Why? Jero! Why?
So shop. I am man in here. I know you are a man. You hear me I tell you? I don't want you to play with me now. Let me tell you, turn back onto me. Because I now wash. It's a pissy dead so. See, let's talk about a new mattress. What will you come up with? I don't want you to play with me, little girl. What the fuck? Get up. Rise. Alright, I'm rise up. Every day I see everything. So like, you just never come here and
police station, Jeremy, I'm serious.
If you go to police station, I'm mad for you. We go to prison, I'm sick for you. You hear me I tell you? Go with you, you're not going no yard. You go stay here and you do everything. Because when you that girl say, if you listen to your mother tell you say, for her to cook, I want her clean, man would abuse you so. You hear me I tell you something? Go with you, give me some baguette too. What is the baguette?
My clothes and my budget.
Look at what is the baguette.
Oh God! I close the room. Why? Mom, the room. The room, I'm close them in the
That's not what I do. I ready to go. What is that? I don't, yo, negative here, girl. You know that? Negative here, no. I thought it was a prize here. Yo, get the bang walk, you stress me out. Go on. I said go. You don't understand, go.
Me a bag on me clothes and
leave.
A police station near go for your watch.
So girl, I gave my sleeping powder, make it give.
Of
I work for her,
course.
but I know me get her night and day.
Of
Every
course.
day, every night. Night and day, night and day, night day.
Of course, I give her a girl. You could have asked that. So, girl, where boy the way say go meet a river?
If me say I come down here, but I don't know, maybe we have to go come back one next day.
Seriously, me have plan to see me now.
For sure.
Me at least put my foot in the water, you know.
Water cold.
Yeah, water nice too.
I will come back one soon.
Well, girl, look at the fish then. Water cool and nice, me not lie. Well, we should have to choke off in a bit. Girl, what you doing? You go up here. Honestly, come. The water nice, so me not lie. Later, girl, I'm gonna look for Xavier now. Yeah. Me see, yeah.
Nice sleep. What? No, put on my glasses because this can't write. So I've been sleeping for 6 hours straight. But yesterday was my day off and today's my day off, so I got to rest. So how comes? How about Jada there? Jada? Jada? What's that? On my phone. This can't write. She gone with the phone. Oh.
What am I call me for, man? Yes, mommy.
Jada, where are you, Jada?
Mommy, I'm at the library.
You're by the library?
Yes, I'm finishing up some homework.
You're by where? The library? Okay, so I see you're at the library. That's great. Just be safe on the road and stay at the library. Get your assignments done and complete. Yes, girl, you know I can trust you. Don't worry. And yes, my daughter, my favorite daughter, my only child. The soup was delicious.
Oh, great. Continue to enjoy your soup. You hear me soon come.
Yeah, man, girl. Alright, be safe now, you know. Alright, see you later, love.
Yeah. Okay, mommy, me soon come home, here. Love you too.
Mwah. Boy, you the library. Okay. Okie dokie.
My mother very dark and literary. Me are not 12, me are 6. She don't want me to talk to her.
You are not 12, you are 16. Well, the apology there. There's nothing wrong with it, but whether you are 16 or you are going to be 16, me are going to make money. Because them something I can't deal with them something. Them kind of lifestyle, I don't know. So, nice seeing you again later week.
Come here, me I want my son.
Good afternoon, sir. How are you doing today?
I'm okay, how about you?
I'm doing well. Nice shoe.
You love it, huh?
Yes, I do. Nice library. How are you, Jada? Nice library. Bye. This is the library I said you told me about. Don't worry yourself. This way to read. Give me the phone. Let me see what time is it on your phone. I'm just checking the phone.
Mommy, take time, draw me now.
Jada, shut up. Okay, so the library location has now been changed. How comes? Where y'all look finding the people them boy up in the ears? Huh? You a big man now. When I'm talking to your face, my child, come up closer. You're paying bills in this house? Huh? Are you working? Listen, from today henceforth, these are the rules. No phones, no television, no friends, and no library. Your library will be this house. Do you understand? No face rooms. Child.
Mommy, you can't draw me.
Do not talk to me in that manner. Do you know how hard it is to be working for the government? Huh? To be out there every day fighting crime and violence? Do you know how hard it is to be a detective? Do you know? Don't play with me, child. Don't play with me. And listen, if this ever reoccur, for sure, I'll be sending you down to the station to lock up. at least 1 week. Today, you're grounded. Sit over there now. Sit. I said sit. Rude and feisty. You're paying bills there? No, you're not. But you want man. Spell man.
M-A-N.
You're better. Rude. But you want man. Go library. This is the thanks. This is the thanks I get from you, child. This is the thanks. You don't see the struggles after be struggling as a parent. As a single parent, as a matter of fact. To be risking my life every single day fighting crime and violence in Jamaica. To be working as a law enforcement officer. And this is the thanks. Okay. To be giving me soup to drink. Then I woke up 6 hours after just to discover that, okay, you got the library. A library, oh, the so-called library. Every day, library. Can you spell library? No, you can't. But you can spell man. Shut up! Don't talk to me like that, child. Don't. Rude and disrespectful.
You know, so I like how you box on your boy for me, though.
Then I normal pray that man, you know my badness come down, you know. I laugh with people, you know.
I like that. I say, alright, I did have one little boy here with me. One so-called little boy here with me. Claim to say him a bad man, right? Gunman running on the two away. The boy na run gun and the bed and chat about how me figure the gunman some. Yeah, laugh, I feel say a joke.
No, what you saying gone and bed, you see me, but a baby that still mama you have me in your life now, you don't have to worry about them little boy there. You see me, you know me a real murderer for a long time, you see me?
So you used to tell me still.
Nobody can this, you see me? I never tell a lie, you know.
Alright.
You know, you come
I'll
down.
chat down.
So, where you cook later?
I'm not sure yet.
Or maybe we can just go out in the road go. Normal, what you say about that?
You can do that.
Alright, but I'm going to watch out, I'm so forward.
Alright.
Baby! Baby, I'm sorry, you here? Baby! Baby! I'm sorry about what you here? Baby! Baby! Baby!
Hey! No, baby, wow. Who that Spanish sitting whatsoever I want you Spanish fly conky. Hey you come out of my house. Come out of my house.
Baby, sorry about
Come out of my house.
Come out of my house.
Come out of my house. Come out of my house. Don't come back in here. Me have new man, me no want you.
Baby, I love you, baby.
Love?
Baby, I love you.
Love? Look, after man, come here. Yeah, chat about the man. And some, love? What is love? What is killing me? Kill him! Kill him! Killing me! Yes! Kill him! Yeah! I'm an ex. Give me a telebo. When time gunman running power, we run gun and grab it. Give me a telebo.
Where the boy come from?
Me tell us the same boy, me ex. The door is open.
When you leave?
You know what? Tell him I want to go kill him now. Come. Come in. Come in. No.
Oi, bem Osman, socorro. Get up. Baby. Come no, man, come. That was too slow.
Come. Wait. You get the money?
What the hell am I doing? I was quiet, man. Take your hair pants before they leave. I want you. We forgot to Jesus. You can't come here close to me, though. I'm nervous.
Cause what you do over here, sir? Remember that me a king to play you. You know you say with sister Nikki, woman put him out and beat him, barely king get.
That's a new thing to you. I mean, a long time, but it's true. I'm not busy about them. I do want them, you know. I do want them, but you know, listen. Good man, you want, bad man, you want, bad man, you get. You can't come up here and beat her.
But your sister could at least help her, you know, because you're the man. You're supposed to help her, cause...
Help who? Yeah. When me have no issue, nobody not help me, so I don't need to help she. She must know me did one all. So anything she get, she deserve. Anything she deserve, she take.
Me and the man I call her idiot.
Call who idiot?
No, me.
idiot.
No, me. I do me attack, yes.
Call alone, you can't call me idiot. Well, anyways, we not busy about them. Good man you want, bad man you want, bad man you get, make him stay down get him bad man. I know I don't want to see him come at me yard, a ball to me, say him and this and him and that cause me don't want him.
But if I didn't need I have to do something, I was because me and I two talk like one time.
Well, that's a fit one problem, you know. I have nothing against her, you know. I have nothing against her, but I don't want him, I didn't want him, but you know, I take tell him so, until he get, he will go to him.
So, what you doing so?
Just sit down and look for the nice water, you know, because water look good, might all take a swim. So how you reach yourself?
What me say me I want come down here, come look at me see you, cause
you know say I saw my favorite spot to chill too. Because the water does pretty and look nice. You know, it looks scary too, but you can't go another ways.
but I take a swim but my hand. So
Yeah.
the tabby when me a chop ice on tabby.
You man a beat too.
You're bright, you man can beat me. Want to lick your head side. You sick? You feel like a Nicky, me look like a Nicky bad man.
You see, true, my sister, I don't go like say, always make man take on a fit claffy.
I might get into clappy. First of all, I never have no man. I don't want a man in my life right now.
I say no. That I say no. Well, you must know still, Nikki must know what she want. You can't choose for her. So, she are gonna know what she want. Can't choose for her, none at all. So, she must know what she wants.
Well, Nikki needs to change on things.
Well, Nikki is always gonna be Nikki. Nikki is always gonna be Nikki. You know, she is soft as she love Bali and things. She can't still do it for her, man. If she want a man bruise her, butter bruise her, do whatsoever with her, that a for them problem. Because me now go a fear in a relationship. Alright, so you must know how the part they are going to work out.
Man not even right. If you have a man in people.
That me I tell the man first time I see him, I tell the man and the man never I say want to cuss me. But I don't care still, them can stay up there with them man or whatsoever they want because I need
Dirty now be a dead Diana. And that little gorilla you left me for. Eh? And that little gorilla you left me for. Now be a dead Diana. Dirty dead Diana.
Who that?
What do you mean by who that?
a long time. Not to say no.
How do you have to buy property mouth? Not even one slippers that can't buy yourself,
Me
girl.
no know her. I swear to God.
You don't know me?
No?
You don't have to know me.
I don't know you.
Look at you.
You know who me?
Who you?
I'm a brother.
Hey, sister, the truth.
No, I'm a sister.
Yes,
I'm a sister for true.
Oh, you're lucky.
Oh, I'm
Sorry.
lucky.
Step me to go step in your country.
And by the way, me not don't tell us straight up we say nothing between we can happen because
Xavier, let me tell you something now. Me don't want you, you know. I don't want to, because you know nothing to give me. You're good, yeah. Never sleep. Oh, girl.
I wish I drown. I drown for drown.
What kind of woman that then you see? You didn't talk about Nikki. You talk about Nikki. Look for your stop life. Mad woman, they can't this way. For never one thing, man. For never just one thing.
Me tell him, me don't tell him say, it not gonna work out between us because she's underage and me can't bother with them something there. What happened last time, me can't make it happen again.
So you never know you didn't look at her. So she underage. You could ask her age that way you just get up and look.
Me ask her age, she said she has 16. When it turns out she has 12.
You can't look for that little something and say that at 16.
I say go, sometimes you have to get catching right. Right? So, where you see I don't know? Because
Me a go for my land. Not continue your practice.
this time, no make nobody take you away here.
But not take me away. Mind what to take for your girl.
You see your maga like Nikki, go on home. It want no blood. It want no blood. You go work.
Girls are going in the water now?
Girl, I'm still going in the water.
So you see I'm going in now?
Yeah, I can't believe I was sister.
But you didn't worry about them. A lucky girl, lucky because step in her conscience. You feel a joke?
But you too bad.
Bad me too bad. And step in her conscience. It's the only one Xavier name. I didn't even know more and do a little ugly sin thing.
Your mother gonna work?
Yeah, she gonna work. Feel like my mother never gonna work. So we could have done yourself? Why did me that did?
Girl,
your woman just want me locked down in the house like you feel like I'm an old person. Me young, you know, look at me young. You see me nice. Nice clean girl like me. I feel locked down in the house. Never get used to your water first. Your water nice too. Nice. No long more come now, girl.
Nobody run, don't stop. I wanna go. Jada, come here now.
Mommy, I gonna lift me.
Why would I do that? Come here. Oh, I know your face. You're the same one that was with your cousin, the blind one. I took my number. Detective tight old. What's up? How old are you?
16.
Come closer, come closer. It's about to rain. How old are you?
16.
Okay, your parents know that you're on the road?
Yeah.
Okay. What's your mother name? What's the name of your mother or your parents? Who you live with?
I live with my mother.
What's your number?
Don't remember her number.
What?
I don't remember her number.
Where you up on the road? Where you come from? Where you...
Mommy!
Child, stand up. Where you coming from just like this?
Mommy, I come from
Age of
river.
what? 12. What? What?
River.
Spell river.
R-I-V-E-R.
Shut up.
Mom, but you tell me something spell.
Jada, every time I talk to you, it's like a disappointment day. Every single day. What's the problem with a child? And you're a child. You don't want to be 16 or whatever, you're still a child. I have a surprise for you guys, don't you, this? No one see it? No one see the surprise? Come closer. Stand straight.
Mommy, no! Mommy! Mommy, no!
Hey!
Mommy.
Come closer.
What are you gonna do with that?
Hey, Charles. Hey, if I run, I shoot you. Come closer.
Mommy!
Talk to you, don't listen. If you got to say your father leave us alone and have to be struggling.
God, please.
Boy, you're 16. You don't remember mother number. But you remember to be dressing like that to the river as a child with my 12-year-old.
Mom,
Excuse
but
me?
this is where I go swim.
Me know that? Me didn't know that?
Mommy.
Give me 2 push-up. Push up. Go down. Give me 2 push-up.
Can't push up.
Bend down. Squats. I said squats. Go down. I think Argentina is going to win sports, you know, because this other disgusting team drop out. Them call it Brazil. And Lionel Messi is my baller from ever since, so I know for sure I see them are going. I know for sure. I love blue.
Mommy, I can't believe I actually carried on a station. And for the worst thing about it, they even leave me down there for at least half day. 1 whole day. I don't get anything to eat. I didn't sleep properly. Mommy, why you have to be doing me like this?
Like seriously? What kind of question is that, Jada? Why have to be embarrassing me on a daily basis? Why? Why can't you act like a 12-year-old child? What's the matter with you? Huh?
Mommy,
Mama, what?
know that I'm young.
And unruly.
I am young. Just please, just hear me out, please.
Please.
Mommy, I am young. And I am still growing. So I'm gonna make some stupid mistakes that I don't even think about. Mommy, at the end of the day, I'm your daughter. You're the one that gave birth to me. Mommy, just please forgive me, please. I promise I won't let this happen again. Mommy, please.
Every time I come home, it's a child. Stop annoying me.
Mommy, please.
Child, stop. Every day is the same thing.
thing. Every single day. Disappointment upon disappointment. What's the matter with you? Mommy, please. I forgive you 10,000 times. It's the same issue. Why, Jada? Why?
Mommy.
I know you're shedding crocodile tears. Should I care?
Mommy, please. Mommy, is this how you want to see me? You want me to go down on my knees and beg well here? Mommy, I'm sorry, please. Just forgive me.
Jada, tell me first. When will you learn? When? Huh?
Mommy.
When will you learn?
Mommy.
First is the boy who's me find you, me find you a river, me find you deer, and you what's the matter with you? You always lie to me about library this, library that. Why?
Allow me.
Allow you to do what?
I know I made a mistake. But Mommy, I promise you, I will correct it. Just please, just find it in your heart to forgive me. Mommy, I know you love me.
We know this.
And I'm your daughter. The Bible says you must forgive 490 times. So why can't you just find it in your heart to forgive me?
Because I've already forgiven you 490 times, don't you think?
Mommy, please. Do you want to see me sad? Please, Mommy, I beg you, please just forgive me.
Jada, just stop playing at my emotions. Stop it.
Mommy.
Stop it.
Okay. Sit. You won't forgive me.
Just sit beside me and stop me. Now just sit down. Sit.
Do you forgive me?
I don't know. I honestly don't know. Because you keep disappointing me. I love you, yes, Jada, you're my only child, you're my daughter. I gave birth to you, so eventually, obviously, I would love you. But why you keep hurting me? Why?
Mommy.
Do you want to see me in pain all the time, Jada? Why?
Mommy, I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Please.
I can't even trust you.
Please, I beg of you, Mommy, please. You can't be treating me like this. I'm your own daughter, please. Just find it in your heart to forgive me, Mommy, please. Please, Mommy.
Stop the crying. Stop the crying. Why are you crying, baby? You know I love you. You alright? I forgive you. But promise me that you won't do this thing again. You won't disappoint me, because if it ever happens this time, you will not just spend one day in the lockup but your entire life. And I promise you that. Okay?
Yes, Mommy.
If you ever do this thing again, you will not like me as a mother. I promise you that.
I'm sorry.
You sure?
Yes, Mommy.
You sure?
Yes, Mommy.
And I love you. Don't cry, baby. Gosh. Now you're young, but you don't have to be so dumb. Okay? Alright, let's just go upstairs together. Get up. Now stop the crying. I don't want to see you crying. I'm my only child. Okay? Stop it, man.
Sorry, Mommy.
It's okay. I forgive you.
who soon come?
Me who so come? I am natural routine for one go take up to when your woman them a tell us say they might you have to show yourself. I catch me just catch you know.
How you catch me? How you catch me?
I catch me just catch you.
Rosie, at this day I do.
What me do?
I have man asleep for me here when me on night shift.
No, not all. And me wake up how long you know and me say me a go test you. I see type of person you be that me say I sleep on road with woman.
Test who? Who has sleep on road?
And that you do you see you quick you take up clothes all that person you run out of your own house.
No, me frightened. Me frightened because me think a dream be a dream because me say, boy, what kind of dream this Father God? I mean just start grab so look, you know.
I catch me catch you. You know? I catch me catch you. You see you? That's why man can't trust him.
So wait there. Let me ask you a question now. You say you text me, that's
all.
all.
You long me wake up not even matter than me and go back and go wash my face.
Oh, so you wait long time?
Long time. Long time and me say yes.
I not me say your husband at home.
Yes, you see that's how you behave when a girl them just.
Let me try to show you something now. You say that not me? I trick you. So me said so no. I take up your clothes then.
Mommy, I idiot. You're dead in your sleep. You don't have no excuse. Ask what you do, you give me bun a road with woman. And I run out of their house when their man to come. No worry yourself. No worry yourself. And I cook nothing for your name. And I deal with your feelings that evening. Think of what you done. Your papi show. I'm going to use the bathroom. Or else.
No! You're cheat!
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby, you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not.
only daughter.
Yes, mommy.
I'm about to head out for work now, okay?
Okay, mommy.
But guess what? Please, to take this one and give me this one.
Mommy.
I said this phone, it has so many contacts in it, and I don't want to be associating yourself with people that I don't know. So keep this one, and I'll keep yours for now, okay?
Okay.
And don't let anyone in my house, okay?
Okay, mommy.
Don't let anyone in, alright?
Yes, mommy.
Remember that you're just 12 years old, okay?
Yes, mommy.
Give me a hug. Alright, be safe. Love you.
Love you too.
Alright. Wow.
Why pretty girl?
Girl, me there.
You can't come look for me?
When today?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, bring.
Okay.
You can come run 10 day time day.
Alright.
Bring Tashi with you here.
Alright, you call her.
Ah.
Yes, girl. Long time I don't see you. My friend when we get your call. What one?
So I pretty girl, you know go van?
Yes, girl. So a long time I don't see you. I don't see you road and thing.
Girl, that you didn't even know. My mother just torment. You man don't want to let me go nowhere. You man just come like a some big black traffic.
Girl, I can't make your mother hold you down. Come on road with the girl sneak out. She not have to know what we are talking about.
No, girl, I can't tell the girl them something there. Girl, listen to your mother and stay in here. Your mother know why she make you stay in here.
A true thing that steals, but at the same time, all the time, so brother, me young and me nice. So, me supposed to can get to go out. Me understand the facts, you know. Me understand the fact, say, mothers know best for true and thing. But not just all the time, so I'm locked up in a house. No, sir, man. Something, you know, you need sunlight.
Yeah, girl, me know see you want sunlight or something. But that don't mean say if you go road. You know say road around now, girl. Nothing no better than yard. You see me I say?
Girl, stop it nice. You know something should look big and come at the door. You should have done just make you stay in yard.
Yeah, me know say you should bring one come, cause you know me go talking to you. You have bad company, you. I have remember say my dad detective, you know, girl. Don't follow, you know. She not a bad, you know.
Anything you want to say, girl?
See, mama don't care about you,
Alright, here one. Me never say nothing wrong, me never say nothing right. You understand? But me just go balance it right here, so. Me know say you correct, you know, you correct it too, you know. But listen, me prefer follow you. Me I follow my mind, you understand me young. Me can't lock down in a house. Like say me are not old money. Me have to get sunlight, me have to enjoy myself because I don't know when me dead. Remember say life is just like a dice, you know. You never know what come next. So me have to enjoy my life until God ready to take me.
Nah, step up and live your life, you know, because you're young for true. So it's any life you want to live. One. But when the day come, don't say me never want you. I hope she can do it. Take care of you. Come down my yard.
Go along your yard. Make him go on. In good gun and you would go and check into Monday, me know. Girl, me have one little party. Can we go? Top nice, man. I tell nobody.
Girl, me can't go on no party. Me can't go bother with the party right now. Cause in the night time, me can't go left the yard because my mother already fill up a place. Like a prison house down here. Tell me that. So we can't. We prefer go somewhere else other than party. Like river or something. Party.
Why? Me glad my mother not strict. Cause when she left and gone about for her business, me just left her right back at her. But glad. Oh, my mother stay. Feel the pain.
Girl, cut long story short. I say where you meet one boy, brother. Nice boy too, you know. I like the boy. I know it's my mother but always tell the boy say me at 12. And that the boy like you don't want to see me again. But although when you go river where you trace him out. Cuss him out. I'm not saying cuss him. Me trace him. But I just say for you man a part of life.
So goody, if you like the boy, why you cuss out the boy?
Girl, and actually that's why I cuss him out. You see, when they go to a river, you see me? I'm going, you know, so I'm going to see the boy at a river with one girl. I'm cuss out the girl, I think say girl like the girl when you left me for. And he get ugly too, you know. Me just cuss out the girl or something. We get to find out say I sister. And then after I just trace out the boy too. Cause him himself now no style. He told him I want a kind.
Which boy that? Cause right now me last. Every boy was pass you and them. Nothing no pass and you no catch it.
Girl, I say I get too bright. I see cause you're my friend. I don't want to feel nothing with you. Cause you're my friend, you understand? So just take a little time and walk go on.
Me and now miss me.
I hope you buck your big toe.
Don't run away.
Good morning. Good morning. How are you? I'm fine.
Who invited you?
You know, say your daughter do she tell me to come over for some school stuff.
My daughter.
Yeah.
So what's your name?
I'm Gabby.
You're Gabby.
Yeah.
How old are you?
16.
So why is my 12-year-old daughter inviting you over to my place for school stuff, for schoolwork? Why?
Miss, me not sure.
You're not sure, miss, me not sure.
I'm not sure, miss, me not.
Listen, my daughter is just 12. I don't need her to have any friends, especially those that are older, because I can imagine peer influence, okay?
Yes, miss.
Over and out there influencing my daughter.
No,
To do anything,
miss.
okay?
Yes, miss.
So you're shit, so you can go.
Alright, miss.
This shall we see? Jada! Jada! What's the matter with your ears? It's not working. I just left for just 15 minutes. And a female is already in my house. Why is that so, child? Huh? I said, don't invite anyone or allow anyone to come inside my house. You deaf?
Mommy, she's my friend and I can trust her.
So why can't I trust you? I said, no friends, no one should enter my house in my absence. Don't you understand simple English, child? Don't you?
Mommy, I'm sorry. We just didn't need a company. Me and
You're
Mommy
always-
are really boring.
You're always sorry. Huh? Why don't you text Siri or talk to Siri on your phone?
Siri don't understand nothing.
Don't you have books? What about the computer? The house needs to clean. Don't you see that? No. Oh, mommy, I was bored and I don't have anything to do and it's my friend. I can't trust her. I can trust her. Don't give me that eye. Listen. I'm late for work. I'm late for work, I just leave something, so that's why I didn't return in the first place. Disgusting. Sit down. As a matter of fact, don't sit. Start to clean the floor. All this. Give me the phone. Put on the phone. Put on the phone, child. Sweep the place. Jada, don't give me this attitude. Don't give it to me. As I start to clean the place. Boy, you're bored. Excuse me? And if I ever return from work and the place is still in mess, you won't like me. Disgusting.
Mommy? Mommy no say come now. Come back. You can't.
One day I must be a millionaire. Ano ko na talking ng music ako de?
Get na one, two, get.
Don't move, police.
Officer, I use the toilet.
Drop your pants, man. Drop your pants.
Can't turn on? Samantha. Are you safe, man? Jesus, you're police now. You're police now. You know, say I latrine. Where you are, you look so fine, girl. In I force now, congratulations. Remember back in the days, man, how you going so? How?
Over here say you live? Over here say you work? Huh? A bathroom? What is the bathroom? Where's the bathroom? So you're a thief now?
No matter what you say, a bathroom same way, but don't go like you don't know, say, you used to thief too. You would have thief way in I force. And you come go on to with me. You know, remember back in the days in time we used to thief and there, but you couldn't manage me. So you pack up and left.
Anyways, always if you can remind me of my past. That was in the past, now is the present, and I'm heading towards the future. So you need to switch and change too. Huh? Anybody can join the force if you just have the interest. Welcome to our boat. You want me to feel bad? Don't do that. Whatever you say, do by the way. See if you want to come tease some of you, so. But guess what? Should me know you're not Popeye? Or should me know you're not, because this a detective and I give lie. You hear that? Me don't give lie like that. But I need to change. Anybody can change. From me change, you can change too. Understand? Anyways, anything to say? Anything to add or subtract?
Right now, that's the truth. I feel like you can get back a chance in your life, you know. Trust me. That's the only thing we can say, you know. Because like when I force, I know we can get where.
As in?
If we get catch, you'll be alive.
See to me, sir. And I said this thing good, you know. Me name, Detective Tight Hole. You understand? So me not really give blind. If I hold on upon you, you can't let go. You hear that? You understand this?
Wow, Samantha, you move from Samantha to Detective Tight Hole. You really have it with you. You have it with you. But thanks again, still. You're police now, and police and thief now really mix up. Later, yeah?
I need to change, because you're not going to like it next time. Listen to me, Master Papa. Guess what? One more thing. We have unfinished business. We have a daughter. For your information. Just 12, soon turn 13. You hear that? Next time. You have my number still? You have my number?
Daughter?
Daughter. Oogie, daughter. Yeah? Yeah, we have a daughter. I must say they love sex more than even me, you know. We have a baby, we have a daughter.
Me call.
Bad like you. Better than you. We talk.
What do you mean better than me? My thief, she a thief too.
We'll talk.
My 12-year-old daughter?
Yeah, Jada. Me find her over in a bush when me a come. I would think me there go and shop. I shop me there go. And me see her and me say, I'm a detective daughter this year. And me take her up.
Thanks, thank you
you. I'll talk to you later.
Alright.
You have my number?
You know,
Give me your number. I'll call you. Your number go.
229-5352.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah,
I'll call you.
Alright.
Hey! Relax yourself. But you do what? You what? You
What is wrong?
Smell this. Smell this. What does it smell like to you? Smell. Is it rum or water? Stop. Stop. Listen. Hey, ready? Boy, you're drunk. Sit up. Watch me and you. Watch me and you. May I get 15 minutes for revive. See you? You said disgrace. Disgrace. Imagine somebody say, you don't leave the yard today. You leave, you come in drunk. Sit, hey, you happy? You happy bills there? Sit down. You're fine back to your drunk. So you want to grab a long time. Sit down, girl. Sit down. Don't be tight. You pay bills. Mommy. You want, we want go on room now. You want more room? Yeah, but wait. Say no. Say no. Relax, man. Relax. Stop disgrace me, Jada. Every day I talk to you. You don't understand the struggle. After I've been struggling by myself. You don't understand. Why am I asleep? So you're asleep. No, it's not about your room. One shit from the baby. Can't have a right now. This little pretty girl Jada can't manage, you know. Every day my wish that was there with us. Every single day. I believe things would be so much better. Being a single parent, it's hard. Especially to have a daughter in these kind of ages. Being unruly is so bad. I don't know, man, I'm drunk. Plus the government has stressed me. Being a detective, you know, easy, you know? Master. Tired. I'm tired. Tired.
Boy, what about this continuing cream people keep there, man?
Backside, y'all have yourself smell good.
Tell me, girl,
Come on.
you know, some day I'm up and get up and go on the road, girl.
And I'm sure so every time you cook it up, my sister, I'm cooking it up. Hey, we can't fool him. While me busy, I'm doing my business around here, son. Yes, mom.
And I say, rape me as a sister, you know.
The nose. But I'll put it for last.
That's why you don't know, you have to do
So I cook.
some soup.
Then we need to make some can't trick him.
Pumpkin, soup, chicken, chocho, Irish. Yeah, it's a funny looking name out here, in every accent.
Aye. We have the one Rasta man, I'll call it for me.
The Rasta
yeah, give me what you have.
Something,
Oh, that one there, I said, man, will want big husband and house. Me say, he not have argue with me like every chance he get, in my ears.
Yeah, you make him a naked layer. You make him a
They not kill my girl because they can't buck up. You think they idiot?
Oh, child, me no want there for the drama, you know, because you see me, we can't part no war. Mama, we can't part no war, also.
Anyways, I'm going to have room there. And I'll see if we can organize room there for time being until the Rasta one they come.
Oh, dear thing, girl.
Yeah, you know, so I need to give you a little spending, you get a piece of.
Yeah, man.
Alright, mama.
Alright. Oh, super pan doon dia man.
She's alive. I was not dead.
You was drunk. In my house. Interesting. I didn't expect you to wake at this hour.
I'm sorry, Mom.
First and last, you understand? Make this be the first time and the last time in my house. Okay?
Yes, Mom.
You're still a child. Repeat. I am a child. Come, I am a child.
A child.
I am
I am
a child.
a child.
Look into my eyes this time. I am a child.
A child.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Relax, man. Anyways, I want you to go out on the road from. So I want you to take this bag to lady up the road, Miss Betty. Okay? Please to tell her that detective sent this for her to give her a daughter.
Okay.
Alright, so give this to Miss Betty to give her a daughter.
Okay, Mom.
It's like a birthday gift, you know, my goddaughter. It's the same one. Yeah, that's older than you. Carry it and come back.
Okay, Mom.
And be safe on the road, you know. Let me say you look at your dress. Jordan is too short. Well, now why are we not too short on the road?
Boy.
Like up a mother. Go on now, you better flat like mine. Go on. Go on. Hurry up and come back. Love you, my daughter.
Love you too.
Alright, darling. Bye.
Sister! You remember fire doors?
Oh!
Yeah, man, I service a machine. Yeah.
Well, go on, remember you, man. Remember you. You never forget a face, you know?
Alright, let's see if I can get some comfortable. Let's just move some memory there. Okay.
But you know, you keep them out though, right?
You like me at the bus?
Yeah, man. Keep your mouth shut. Bob say, keep your mouth shut. She a cook for you, man?
Yeah, she always cook. Idiot man always thinks that.
Oh, yeah.
I'm the chef.
Then she go over there then.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll cook some casting one time, but you don't know anything.
Alright, so.
I can't stay and start relaxing time being while I'm going there to go prep back the room.
Prep back yourself there?
Yeah.
Anything you have there, give me the like that, cause man, you know.
Yeah.
You want some? Alright. Let me fix it.
Alright, so I remember to share so that man they can get in big plate.
Yeah, we need to share what one more ready. Yeah.
Alright.
You want some?
Give me now. But that takes some now before she come back for why she have pepper we cannot step up. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
Yeah?
How you ask?
Nah, that guy, what kind of glass over you, man? Oh, you have a baby share, man?
No, sir. But you just come and play, say you want order me, you want to share.
I'm not order anything you give me to eat now.
You can ask kindly. Can I get some more?
Kindly, can I just put some in one cup to control this?
Somebody not easy.
Yeah, plans here if it tastes good.
I didn't know where the cup them in. My sister, other man, then come, she just take a cup and go all over the place.
I don't understand it then. You see like two dumplings in that plate here. Come closer to the pot. Don't worry yourself, man. This for me nice, you nice. You see it?
I say greedy.
No, man. You see when you have put enough, you take it back out. You just use your spoon.
Why?
I far, use the fork. I like dumpling.
So now get acquainted.
Your man greedy. Why?
Remember see me and neighbors. Shh.
I will get this greedy man from my
He deserves it. I take care of him when you're ready.
When you are working out, the pan machine is just out. If you know good food, you chop off.
Alright, don't know. No, don't need pot.
What? Your man greedy, master.
You want to know? I come. Thank you, sister. Thanks. Yo, you see, this is a family.
Alright.
Eh?
Are you my friend?
How are you? Oh man, let me also get soup before me. How are you?
Go on in, you have in-law.
You can't in here to Rasta youth.
Stop nice, stop make you only for nice money. You're crazy.
Yo, me feel grief, you know. How am I get soup before me?
Oh, you forget to be married. You can't do that and make big commotion.
I'm a cousin.
So you tell me say I have cousin here?
We just part dinner to me forward. They tell me father, some father them here. But come
So me have explain to you. Yeah, I'm man. Not me,
I saw the pass to me take food.
Watch him.
Enjoy yourself.
I'm going to have food, man.
Jesus.
Oh, you start to let pass the place, man. I ask you. Me a talk to you out there, so.
What me understand?
You not tell me say you come here.
Me don't know if you call when I come here.
Me hearted. So supposed to be me man there.
I don't care. I don't have no heart nowadays. My heartless. Feel me out of me heart a beat.
So wait there. And them a type of, this is not what I signed up for, you know. Me tell you say I'm a side man. Me call you when me want you.
No, me can't work no more as no side man. Need to be a personal man now.
Say not a woman.
No.
And what happened to she? Oh, you do running away?
I don't run away, I don't know when to turn.
Oh, that's because she ain't you know there anymore. You walk around up in a me to come mash up my good relationship with me and me.
I myself, first of all, I don't mash up a relationship. I say I'm a scammer. If I'm money you want, I'm money you can't get. So I don't know where you're going, so.
It has nothing to do with money. Me married.
Married? Wait, you not see no part of fingers, how you married?
Me put it around there so when me a grind.
When you a grind?
Yeah, when me a grind.
Actually, man, you not grind, no good, that's why I go and so attitude. Come here, me have something to tell you still. Come here. Come here now. Let's start moving so you're animal.
Hold on, sister, me a come.
No mix me. You can't kick him no more. We can't kick him down.
Listen now, you thought you were married. You have $1 million for me car there, so. See it? $1 million.
Why password, pa?
Eh?
Why password?
Password? Why you rough?
Alright.
You get it?
Yeah, man, me get it.
So here I know. Fear money now.
Yeah.
You say I fear money now, you have to let him know, you know.
Fee $1 million?
Yes.
Maybe that. You like I said, that's a dead.
You're not dead.
Yeah, you like problem.
Yeah.
When the man married for so long, I never tell him to him to live up for me there with you.
Yeah.
When you just running out and over.
Yeah, marriage, listen. Marriage is just a marriage. You see, you pray. Yeah. Just you put on a ring, that don't mean nothing more.
Take back your card, can't good as a blank. Me no
Blank wait, you break down like a blank card.
Take it back. Cause if me have to let my relationship, you and me make an agreement, right? So you would have been my side man.
But me no want to be no side man. If you comfortable now, more than comfortable.
Uno cast liberty to carelessness and me cast is still enough. and me can't see. Because me just a mind my own business and see there, me make me think turn good boy and a mad somebody. I want cut cast this.
You shouldn't give me. You should have bully on you.
Never walk. It
That
can't
go
walk. Can't walk. Me have the husband. No,
Hey,
can't
you're running
walk.
money.
Running man out there, please.
Yeah, I saw my money by the TV there, you know. Someone want to way I try to tell me, say.
Who's TV and money by?
See there.
$5,000 can't pick up them the TV they don't wear. In like the $5,000 way you give me.
Hold on.
When you say a so-called propose, you
Hold
have to
on.
me.
Hold on. Woman, you're wicked, you know. The last time I checking a girl, I 500,000 again in her account, you know. So what reason why you're going so a galang so?
I don't hit that TV. The man come here with the TV. The man buy TV and road carry home. I don't hit by that. The money where you giving me have it.
And that's why you see some on the road, you left them. Because you don't remember what you do for them. Give me my card.
No man, me I can't reason this.
No,
me personal.
if you tell lie on TV, what you wouldn't tell lie about? Come.
Just listen to me now. We can't be personal. Yeah, me side man, just deal with that now.
Me not work with side.
Be nice, me and neighbor. Why not you not understand?
Respond boy blasting me about them. So give me my card.
Alright, listen, y'all call. You hear?
But me not go nowhere.
Now, yes!
No! That which yard? You can't take me card and go me yard. You're mad man. You're sick man. What you talk about?
Father God, I want to go check myself in now.
Yo.
Me say, oh God, you're
Me
bad.
not. Tell us something.
Iman soon come out.
Me not go no yard.
Father Jesus, give me the strength.
Give me card now. Okay, don't say me not give nothing, you know. Come give me
Listen
card.
now.
Come.
Just listen. Yeah, yeah.
You know what? Because if
Yo, cuz, yo.
I would
Awam.
You know me there look for cuz though, cuz some people call link him.
Look at my brother. Go to the bathroom. Go
Awam,
check
go
out the
on.
pussy where they ask me for. Please, go on.
Yo, mama, what for your boy there?
Go on in the bathroom. Look at this. Wham.
Let me there.
I'm a cousin, that you know.
Eh, so what for your boy there?
In their work.
Eh.
He's who come.
I mean, there's only arguments are going out there and me a pass.
You hear what?
Some arguments.
You hear what?
Some arguments.
And that we don't hear too much.
But you talk loud.
You hear too much.
So,
sometimes we mind the business. You hear too much.
You see a size, you know.
What? Come on, come on, come on, here. Oh, you hear? Hear side. If me ever hear about nothing, now you may call look for. Let me. What? Let me say. Oi! Oi! England. This is where you're at.
You know what?
No, just one.
No, me a brother. Come.
No, what? Me say me call you. Me call you.
No,
Listen to me now. Just listen.
No,
Me call
you know
you.
work so.
Me call you. Me call you. Me call you. Me I think about what you're saying. Me call you. Me call you. Just one. Me call you. Go on, yeah man. Me call you. Me say me call you. Just understand now. Me call you. Me call you. Me call you. Understand now.
Where talk about car?
I'm the cousin man. The cousin just come here and me catch up and me tell him say me go call him when he go up. Go up at the yard.
Oh, I something with it. What time going on my phone there? Who got it?
I left it to me now. I argue with me. I left it.
You want me to tell me?
No, me can't. You're good though. You eat lunch and everything already. You're good. What we gonna smell me for?
No, me.
Go on, go on. Me alright, see there. Nothing to do me. Me intact, yes. Me intact.
Love me, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Love your motto. Mwah.
Me like it.
Yeah. Yes. Butterfly. Me don't think me drop them. Merciful Father. Merciful Father. I can't. I want this Jesus.
I still feel like festive.
Festive, me have a heart attack. Yeah. First, I the Rasta man, thank you Jesus. You know stupid kind of no saying the past side already. In ball out. Oh sister.
Girl, stop it.
Oh my God.
Stop playing with the man them heart. I say I want the whole neighborhood here say I have man problem. Say I have good will.
And that idiot there. I said, boy, fool. I want that foolish thing never see come across. Idiot left me one now. I left you left girl, you know. For me now. And I come and give me problem.
I really man cloning.
And he knows me married to that madman there. Kind mad.
You must want such man help him.
And not me probably. I forgot to set up him. He get at him.
Me and him a chat about.
Give me a card. Say $1 million depending. And give me a password.
Seriously? You just say?
Me just say money depend here. Me just say password because he want me. Yeah. So.
$1 million?
Yes, girl. But the thing is, can I send me 500,000 already? You know?
Okay.
But the thing about it now, he want me to take this. For being personal.
$1
If he
million?
left me man.
So when you get $1 million, you not get no more money?
And that me I want that too. For that papi show you want to take me for. But me take the money. I help me get the money.
Are you that girl? Are you a teach me? You know?
Yeah.
Are you a teach me?
Me say me need to drop down a while because I want to go. Yep. Papa, if me man him come at the work and knock down. Just come in.
Me not teach. I told me in the kitchen, girl. You know, say me.
Right after cross his left. Me come here. Me go to answer door now. Things say idiot boy. Come back and come along. But thank you God you catch me. My sister, I get that money. So you know you surely get
Girl,
some.
I wish I was like you.
If I nothing, may I get 30 grand out. 300 or 30 grand out of the 500.
Don't worry, man. You know say you not left me out.
But I'm tired, I'm frustrated. My good body.
I have money to fight over you. Get no, sir.
See you stay good. Anyway, Sultan.
Yeah, come in.
Alright.
Come in. Girl, me cannot get to the day me find a man who will come up and come fight over me.
Yeah, we see that girl be back, yo.
Hello, sir. Are you made a pan, you know?
You pay me for?
Listen. Cause you don't go and like saying I beg me, I begging up. I'm not begging up. I just come to apologize to what happened up at River where there. You and your sister. I never know say your sister and thing. And yeah, I'm sorry about that still. But what you say, what can I go on to me and you?
As me I tell her say, nothing can go on because you're underage. You see me, I'm not really in them something that happened last time, so nothing can go on.
Anyways, I understand what you say still. And a true thing still. But let's just keep it as friends still. You see me?
No hard feelings still. Like how your son and I say friends, alright? Like how you say keep it as friends. But so on chocolate is still for sure friendship. May I have, right?
Thank you, that's so sweet. By the way, how much you pay for this year?
You know, you don't need to know that. Just thank God to get one chocolate.
Okay.
What?
Thanks, we respect that.
What about my son?
There, daddy, what
I
about
mean, man, nice choice. My daughter-in-law. My daughter-in-law. What do you mean,
No,
mess up
really,
yourself?
no, really,
What do you mean by no really?
How the money?
I'm a father.
Alright, so I still. We're up on a mission, yeah?
Alright, daddy. Take care, yeah?
But you not favor your father. You sure your father be true?
Man, I'm my father, but still, if you want to be friends and the friendship work, we just keep them on shop and go on and go. And I'm here till later. Take care. Come here, talk to you.
Bye. Yeah, you know. Oh, yeah, baby. Where's the baby? You know, some baby. Oh. How I pray? How I pray. Up I had me, I got to say no. Home, me, I got to. Oh. Yeah. So come now, make you walk now. Ah. So, thanks. Hi. See you now, make we go out there. Yeah, we can go out. When? Today. So come, make we go out now. I go and do. Yeah, man. Be a house just boring, girl. I mean, I say my mother just want me down in a house. The house just boring. Like, you feel like my own life her. Just come out to the house and say me I want a baby, is that? Yeah. Like, it can be a good babysitter. Let me tell you. Hi. Hey, baby.
Okay. So you want the sister?
No, you're not.
Man, just have to find roads.
Oh, yeah, go with that then.
Just watch. Right now, your sister, you know the money? I buy food in this. You buy it, put it in so.
That's sure. Right now, we there, so sit down tired. We have to put off.
So me ask you a question. Tell me truth now. Who cooking food at the time?
What? Not me.
No, say so. You know how me know? One night when me carry your sister come for the first night, you know. And I leave her in the kitchen to cook. Not even the rice. Not even the rice. Not stuck together. Everything I swim. Everything I swim. She draw the rice.
But we don't know how that's going to become a mother teacher to how to cook.
I think she can cook something else, but not food. Not food. Because not from the family.
No, sir.
I must work it out.
So I'm kind of not going to go for the Smith. I'll teach you, but
You man, you do it, man, your sister.
you're not on the road.
Gabby, come over right now, where you? Gabby saying that you're damn maker. Come in! That's not like.
What?
You tell me what day I say I have to tell you. Bobby woman.
Oh, yes, yes. You even did remember about that. Me still say, what do you? Me a walk past and me a hear one big piece of argument. When me come through and tap in so. No one little sharp brown man that me see in the room over there so. And me see him run go down my bathroom when me come in. I ain't such girl that tell me say me chat too much and me too nothing to guard me hard.
So, I want to go to she did that, don't you?
I don't know if she did that. I know me come out of the front room, me go through. I mean, look, I man that me see around go down there so.
Run. Where's the Sunday?
I don't know you get that.
Browning. Where your sister there?
In the all over Jagan home, you know. In come when you feel like.
How much money? Alright, how much money know your sister have?
Yo, I told Mariette, as a brother-in-law, I got to tell him. You see, I want a Rasta man, and I want to go brown king boy, I don't know where he come from.
See him shot you in the board.
But don't get upset, please, my baby.
Tell us me say,
Nobody
don't delete me down.
Nobody get upset and...
No, that. She can't come back here. Because I'm going to make sure she's not met it right now. She can't come back here, so. I don't be doing that. Right now, me is to get one girl picnic from my ex. Because she said she didn't have a picnic, we are 12 now, so. Me are going to look for my picnic when I'm ready. So, if you want to stay, you know. I'm not going to carry from cook. But get me, if you go home, because you go cook and you love your belly, I don't want to hear.
Say that my food.
See, go on.
But more of my food.
Thanks for coming.
More, wait, say what make you hungry? You make you hungry?
Tell my sister, say how you do.
What do you do with
Wow, you can go.
Sorry for your condition, it's rough.
Okay.
It's alright. Hello? Hello?
Oh, sorry about that. I mean, Samantha, I mean, see one man.
So what's up?
Now call you, because I remember what day you see me dump on the road there, you know?
Yes.
I try to use the bathroom and... But enough of that. Remember you tell me about me have a daughter together, you know, near you.
Yeah, can we tell you? Go do so.
So, is she for real or you just a mess on the brain? Because I know how no man stay, you know.
Excuse me?
Yeah, me know you hear me good. Yeah, excuse me.
Why would I be messing around with your brain? That makes sense? I'm a grown woman.
Come on now, Samantha. Come on, man. You know, back in the days when you used to tell her one another lies, we used to tell her say the tree I dropped down when the tree still stand up firm.
Whatever. Don't go there. So what do you really want?
Want to know my daughter?
Where are you now?
Well, I can't tell you right now, you know, but I can call up for my daughter. So you make sure I come up for my daughter, did they?
Alright, guess what? I'm kind of busy. Just, today's my day off, so I'm like relaxing, all the meds and things like that. So you can come about 6 p.m. later, or you can come in the morning, early tomorrow morning. Okay? But for real, she's a daughter.
Samantha, I now say you don't tell me no lies still, but as I said, you can't give me a time. I will just forward. I have a son too, What me not even tell you about. I have a son before me know you.
Tell me about it.
So me come clean, before me come there. I have a son.
How interesting is that?
In about 16, 17, I can't remember my boy age, because boy is a rolling stone like his father. A gallus.
Well, my daughter, she's just 12. She will be 13 in a few weeks from now.
Alright, I'll pass you still, so you're not telling about me.
Not yet.
So you're weird pan.
Time is master, master is time.
You wipe me out of the picture, why?
You won't understand. You won't understand, but when time come, you will see and see.
You know, I say, you know, if you beg Sydney because you wrong. When me tell her, say, my birthday I come up and I want twosome. And you think say me I talk about food. And you go buy 2 food come. Like say you're mad. I tell you I want twosome. So I go up on the road go get 2 girls carry home. And you beg see that?
Listen to me. What's the problem? You say you want to see your daughter. I say you can actually come by, whether it be later or tomorrow. So what's the problem again? Why are you trying to lead me back in the past? The past is in the past. Now is the present. You understand that? So why are you taking me back to the past?
Alright, Samantha, me forward. When you come, call you. But not tell her yet until they forward, yeah?
Alright, no problem.
I only hope she like me.
I hope so too.
But still dream boy, you know, love you, you know, cause no man a yard give me bun still, you know.
I'll do your banner back later.
No, more you fully, you can't live with me.
We'll talk. Just come by and we'll talk, alright? Don't waste the credit to try to convince me on something that I'm not interested in. At least I'm not sure what. Later, alright?
No, I'm not convinced. Alright.
Just save a credit.
Dating.
Rubbish.
Jada. Why? I'm okay too. Good evening.
Even it is. What's up?
I'm there, Meg. I'm okay. I'm just a Jada girl, parliament, and just after she got so bad, I'm saying, I'm going to stay with her. I'm going to stay with her.
Yes, here today is my day off actually.
Oh.
What I want to know from you is that I hope you're influencing my daughter to do the right thing. Okay?
Yeah.
I don't want to pressure her to do things that she don't want to do or to force her in any kind of way. I don't want that for my daughter. She's just 12, as you can see, she's a child. So if you're supposed to be her friend by continuing to come here, not because I know about, I still want the good for my daughter, you understand? I still want my daughter to be okay.
Yeah.
It's my only child.
Yeah.
Fortunately, or maybe unfortunately, she's my child. She's my only child.
Yeah.
Alright, so Jada,
Yes, ma'am.
I like her so far, but make sure that she's not influence you with the bad stuff.
Mommy, she's not.
She's not. Interesting. The Jada, my daughter, it seems like you're learning. I'm glad you arrived home safe and early, okay? And you, nice lady, nice girl. I just want to say thank you for what you did last night.
Yeah.
You understand? It's like, it means a lot to me. Why you please put it like that? It means a lot to me, like, because you save her. You save her from the darkness and everything that's bad outside. Remember that this is Jamaica, you understand? And bad things could have reached her. So I just want to say thank you for that.
Yeah.
You understand? You see, next time you see her, just make she step on the road. You understand? Because she must learn to learn. I must say, you must learn to learn. Okay? Yes, but so.
Okay, Mommy.
Yeah, you need to learn, Jada. And thank her too, thank her.
Thank you for your help last night.
Oh, so sweet. That's commendable, okay? That's commendable. Just continue to be a nice friend. And I hope on the other hand you're influencing her to just do what is right at all times. I understand, remember that she's younger than you, alright? So just continue to be a friend and guide her as much as you can, you understand? Because I want the best for my daughter and so for you, alright?
Yeah.
So have you eaten?
Yeah, I'm gonna eat some food.
You sure you're not hungry? Okay. Alright, so just go and talk. Let me just relax myself. You can go and talk, you understand?
Yeah.
Oh, you look lost. What's in your mind, child? You afraid?
No.
You alright? You alright, Jada?
Yes, mommy.
Okay, so just talk. I'm gonna just relax myself. Today's my day off. I am kind of tired. You understand? I'm tired.
Yes, so where is about the exam now? Girl, I said the exam will easy. Girl, I'm not gonna lie, I'm maths is hard though. Maths is very hard. I'm fit girl, it's hard man. You know how much people don't want maths to win a car. So they never can win. But you know, we hear the results too. So girl, me just have a plan result, girl. Cause me I feel like maths is hard. Me I don't know like the maths part either. I hope me get good results come out. I feel like girl, you know if my man in a state so still. One of my extended comments. So yeah, it's kind of. No, sir. Them said just keep it as friends. And give more chocolate. So yeah, I think chocolate for man give me No.
How was the chocolate? The taste nice, not true?
Mama, me give it away. Me never eat it.
What?
Me give away chocolate.
You think that's smart, not true? Huh? Are you bird me? I mean bird here. You think that's smart? So you guys talking about school and chocolate and guy and ex and whatever, be friends in my house? Really? Get out.
So yeah.
Get up! Listen to me, this is my house. Get up and come out. And don't return unless I invite you here. And thanks for the offer again, but come out, man. You see you? Every day you're sick with stomach. I feel like I just want to vomit on you, Jada. You're sick with stomach. Get up a bed. Someone will be coming over struggling to meet you. Get up, me say.
Wait.
What?
Somebody will be coming over struggling to meet me?
To meet, to talk. Yeah, somebody will be coming over. In my town, this is my house. Get up, man, go to bed. Go bed.
Mommy, wait.
Don't utter word. Mommy this moment that go on bed, I said, child. Go on bed.
Mommy, but hear me out.
No, not this time. Not this. Go on bed. Someone will be coming over. You're keeping up time and space in my house and people paying bills. Go to bed. Boy, you want man and chocolate. You can't even wash your pants properly.
You can wash your
You're rude. You're rude, man. You're rude.
Samantha!
Yes.
You want to nice house? Oh, shit.
Don't worry about that. Just make yourself comfortable.
I want to get money to buy them so quick.
Have a seat.
You know what I'm saying? Cup, a dirty cup, you know. You know what I'm saying?
Have a seat.
I want to buy them ticket and I'm going to see you.
No, we're good. That's what I think it. But listen, just relax. And
Woo!
leave the government.
You want to see what's in the mind, man?
And leave the government job alone.
So I really look so frightened. Oh, we can't say who we again. Well, you know what I'm saying?
You know what? I actually talked about someone outside. Can I went up and someone doesn't know? Excuse me?
Someone tell you one like, remember the old days.
Anyways, what's up?
You know, I'm more to what's in my life. Not because I have a big house. I also have a big house. Wow. So,
Really?
yeah.
Okay, so are you here to see me or to see your child? Which one? Make up your mind from now. Who you want to see?
What I don't know, I want in my life.
Alright.
Cause my son don't live a man yard, you know. My son live with him in Tiffin, mother.
Oh.
She been
So
like
you're
him.
so you're a thief. So listen, you're a thief. She's a thief. So your son is also a thief.
I don't know about Joe. Remember say I bring in that game, you know. And who could tell? How much ticket take power road, 50 power road, and I get a ticket to college and build this big house. So what's the difference? Remember say we broke in that game. So shop one.
Okay.
Am I wrong?
Let's see. Are you wrong?
Never wrong.
Anyway, so you want to see it out or no? You want to talk for some time?
No, call I don't cause.
Jada, darling.
Yes, mommy.
Down.
Oh, so me.
Sure.
Mommy, who is it? What is he doing here?
Do you know him?
Listen, you don't understand.
Do you know him?
Samantha, baby, you don't understand this.
Mommy.
Oh, she caused me kind of last now.
Okay. So you know she? You know she?
I see her some time ago with my son.
Do you know him? He's your school teacher. He's the security guard. He's what?
I'm never going to be a security guard.
Mommy, let us get this straight. So,
What?
he's my father?
Did I say that?
Samantha, let me get this straight. Straighten. Is she really my daughter?
Yeah.
Is he my father?
Yeah.
What's...
Oh,
Hey!
what's up, man?
She and my son sleep.
Hey!
Sleep.
Mommy!
As in, what?
Mommy! Mommy! The money of my father?
Ask him. Wake him up and ask him. Interesting. That's why I said must act like a 12-year-old. Hey! So she done with her brother? Hey. Oh no, wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up, wake up. Get up, wake up. Oh yeah. Faint with the palm. So wake up. Jada, hey. Wake up, revive. No wake up in my house.
Samantha.
Wake up. Get up. Sit down there. What are you saying now? Wanna faint? Excuse me? Talk to me now. What's wrong?
You know what?
I think I was dreaming.
Oh, you're dreaming.
Samantha.
So you're dating your brother? Is it the same guy? I think it's how old is your son?
17.
The same Xavier and this dark guy?
Yeah, my son.
The soup, I think it's the soup grandson, that same guy, your son?
Yes, the father. Grandson.
That's the result. To be unruly, to be sickening and disgusting, I said, act like a child. You don't listen. What you said, Dad? Meet your dad and your, I think it's what, your father-in-law. Get wrong with your father-in-law.
Samantha, no bother with that.
Meet your dad.
No bother with that.
Meet your dad. Meet your daughter.
And you caused it.
Oh!
You left me because I asked for a favor and me granted myself. And you leave me just to that. I asked
Mommy! But at the end of the day, you can't blame me, you know?
Why?
Because if you didn't ever know my father.
Right.
You didn't hide this from for 12 years.
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
Shut up in my house. Listen, you are just 12. You're not supposed to be having boyfriend. Whether it's a father or not, you're not supposed to be having a boyfriend.
And I am 12. Yes, I am not supposed to be having a boyfriend. But I was supposed to know my father.
Well, leave that for some other time. Don't blame it on me.
So where were you hiding this from me for 12 years?
To me, He was not the father I want for you. He's
Lie.
not qualified. He's not this kind of guy I want to be your father.
Tell her why you never want me be her father. Which I didn't know your mother was pregnant. Your mother leave you because me can't do how many things in the ABC. Your mother leave you because I asked her for 2 loaves of bread and she bring home 2 chicken.
That makes sense.
Listen,
I cannot explain everything.
this is too much for me. This is too much.
You cause everything to my
Oh! I still don't get it. Oh!
Because you had no father from me for 12
Yeah,
years.
you hide me in the garbage bin. You should have never do that, Samantha. How could you? How could you do that?
Just shut up and thank God you wasn't involved with your own father, so just thank God. I'm sure that your son is even yours. I'm sure you about that. I'm sure.
All that too.
I'm sure you. Well, she's a doctor.
I'm in no favor you neither.
Shut up.
So you should say no.
Shut up.
Oh.
I'm the one to decide. He's a father. I wasn't promiscuous in the past, you know. Only one guy has trampled my chocho, sampled my chocho. I wasn't promiscuous. Don't go there. He's a father.
Yo, what?
What? No.
Samantha.
This is not real. Somebody pinch me because I must be dreaming. I must have dreamed. No, this is too much for me. This is too much for
Suppose
me.
my son did do that. How you would explain this today?
How would I explain this today? Okay, call your son on the phone. Let me ask him that question. Suppose I get my 12-year-old daughter pregnant, how would you explain it to me?
Yeah, you could have locked him up.
Why?
You could have locked up my first seed.
How?
You could have do that, Samantha.
Why?
I would have exposed you.
To what extent?
Hey!
Expose me.
all this?
Expose me to what extent?
Your daughter didn't know that he was a big thief back then. Your daughter didn't know that.
Huh?
Eh?
Wait.
Answer that. You know how your mother owned this house? Your mother robbed me out of everything we thief together. Your mother pack up with every little nickel when we thief. I stick up the government, the 124 million when they hear to them, mister, the government slippy give me, and me thief back for the government. Them thief for the office, I think from them. Me
You
and
live in
your
a TV
mother.
family. And that's not trying to live in a TV family. My mother thief, my father thief. What? No. What is? Why me, God? Why me? Why me?
No. Your mother and father is not a thief. Your mother is a real thief. Because she robbed me out
So
of
how were you working for the law?
You don't understand. You have to see it to believe it. Don't listen to this man. And listen. Take my job out of your mouth. I'm talking about you being her what? Her father and also her father-in-law. Leave my job behind this and leave my past. Take my past out of your mouth. Okay? Do you know how she eats within 12 years? Do you know how I pay my bills to build this mansion? Do you know? Do not question my life, child. Do not question me.
The $124 million with the government, the thief, and give me, I'm near your thief back. That's the $124 million take care of her until now. You buy a big house out of it, you buy your way into the police force, I don't know how you do it.
100
And 24
and 24 million.
When you never talk about on the news how long and it cannot be found. Your mother spend it well.
Jada, don't trust everything you're actually hearing right now. Do not trust
I don't know what to believe.
Not everything is as beautiful as what you see.
I am confused. I don't know what to do. Matter of fact,
You're not done yet. You're not done yet.
Jada, you can either go with him or stay. The choice is yours. You can either go with him or stay with me, okay?
Who you want to roll with? You want to roll with your mother that lied to
I can't believe this.
You want to roll with your mother that lied to you?
My mother was a thief.
What I
My father from me for 12 years.
Yeah, you got the garbage bin.
Shut up too. Come, you don't even feel
Do not talk to your father in this manner. Do not.
Well,
And listen, if I was a thief, okay, I was a thief. I'm not a thief. I was what? Disruptive back then. You understand? But I have changed, and so can you. That's why I've been trying my best to grow you in a path where you can be better. I don't want you to be like me, okay? I wasn't trying to make you be a thief or be, okay, this kind of girly. You don't understand. I'm trying. I've been a single parent for 12 years. I tried, Jada. I tried to build this perfect daughter in you that my mother couldn't see in me.
As I can see, you feel. Because you should have invite me in.
Keep quiet.
You can always leave, and can always return. You can always stay, and can always go. The choice is you guys.
I take me leave, but we still want something out of the millions. Remember? You know over it. Samantha, the great Samantha, did you tell us we have a thief in there?
Excuse me?
Jabby.
She have a teeth in what?
I'm not talking about you, daughter.
What?
I'm talking about you.
What about me?
That was the thief name. Jabby. Remember the code? Stick to the code.
You're trying to emotionally blackmail me, sir. It won't work. It won't work. Never.
Me never. You have reached to the end of the movie. As I said, if you didn't come in, like, comment, and share as what she also said too. Please do that. What are you waiting for? Guys, thank you for watching. Right, we reached to the end of the movie. Leave a comment under and tell us if you like it. We'll see what I go on. All right.
Hi everyone, I am Samantha, otherwise known as Title or Detective. I'm an actress over on PFS Flames, so Tribe Run Flames, and also Dramawood. Currently, I'm seeking someone, a male of course, someone who is single and obviously not married. I'm looking for someone who has potentials. The person don't need to be rich, but need to be ambitious. Preferably someone who knows the Lord and fear the Lord. Yes, if you're interested, please contact me at the following number, which is 1-876-219-3727. Yes, I'm Detective again. Jamaica next future great philanthropist.